All right, what's up? What's up? All right, let me go ahead. Stop this one. All right, can y'all hear me? Everything's good. Everything's perfect. Y'all can hear me. I want to make sure that everything is going good. Everything is going clear. So that you guys. Um, if y'all can hear me, let me know. Hello, hello. Let me see if somebody. Okay, so let me just go ahead and start directly. If you guys cannot hear me, you guys let me know in the chat, okay? NQ. 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 Where NQ is headed next? That's a hard question to answer. Yes, sir, we can. Perfect. So ideally, I'm looking at NQ, bro. Just been expanding straight expansion. 3 back-to-back days of expansion. I also have this 2-stage here with the highs. Does it make sense to trade NQ right now? Ideally, if I want to take longs in NQ, ideally I want it to be off of this gap, at least to see some sort of retracement back into. Like this is 6 a.m. yesterday. Like this range looks clean. Probably not on 4 hour. On the hourly, yeah. Ideally, like look for buys here, somewhere around that range, or also here. Like we kind of just swept out to a level that looks good. Also kind of sell trading within the new invalidation level, which is the gap. So again, if we don't reverse off of the gap, we're gonna reverse off of the level that formed the gap. So if we see some buys here, we can take them back up. Even though like looking at NQ, which has been fucking expanding the whole week. Ideally, we want to wait for some sort of manipulation, or like if this manages to kind of trade lower and then higher, that would be really good. So that would be like the ideal scenario for NQ. For the time being, what do we have? Like we're forming a C2 closure, we're forming a C3 in a gap. But still kind of just trading within this 2200. So still, it's just kind of still that range accumulation. Hopefully we'll see that manipulation and then the distribution higher, or failure to manipulate, form a new swing here with like some sort of 2-stage and trade it back into the next gap. That would be good. So I'm still open for like both possibilities, even though like the day has expanded higher. Where's 1800? This is 1800 again. This is that new validation level that formed within 1800. So either that gap or the next gap would do the job. But for now, for the time being, I cannot really tell where we're headed to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for ES. ES looks good. 4 hour. I was actually looking at this 30-minute 2-stage PSP. There was like a 2-stage somewhere in here. I guess it was in here. I was just taking a look at it, but I'm not trading. Did not trade it. 4 hour. Again, seems like we might have a failure to manipulate on ES, or it might continue higher. If you go to daily, we're trading at all-time highs, which is a bit sus. So again, if we see that failure to manipulate on ES, probably with like a C2 closure here. Have we traded below on NQ? We did. We traded below 2200. Okay, so we got this SMT fail. If we really check on NQ, did not trade back into the gap. ES, we did. If this one closes like a C2, that would be like the failure to manipulate for me, and I would trade it back into the highs. That would be really clean. And I think we rebalanced the range almost. Not really, but we kind of traded from that new validation that was formed with 1800. So we got SMT fail. We got a PSP here. Wait, this one is bearish. So is it YM that is bullish? Oh wow, YM suddenly is just so decoupled with them. Like yesterday was expanding lower, NQ was expanding higher, and now ES and NQ are expanding lower, and now this one is expanding higher. So it's really interesting to see. And like for YM, ideally this. Oh, let me check out the PSP. Look at the PSPs. Like look how decoupled the market was. Literally the whole expansion from yesterday, like 2, 6, 10. Your voice is pretty low. Okay. Can y'all hear me now? Does it sound better? If it sounds better, let me know. YM, it looks really clean, especially that we kind of took out the high. Do we have any SMT? Yeah, I think we do have an SMT with the high, but it's not the most relevant. What? This is 10 a.m. from yesterday, but like it was traded above like ages ago. But yeah, we can still frame. I think shorts on YM are really clean. Yeah, it did look really clean, to be honest, not gonna lie. Shorts on YM. 30 minute. Yeah, with that C2 it looks good. And we have. Wait, why am I using it like this? Should be using this like that, bro. Alright, now it's a lot better. All right, so we got this SMT here. You trade SL or GU by any chance? I trade silver, but I don't trade GU. Really interesting, really interesting. But again, that swing is not really the most valid to me. Probably just go with like this SMT here, like this one. Yeah, so we got high. Let's see how this one closes. If this one, so here's the thing. Here's where I would be open to trading. So we already kind of traded into the gap. We formed that new level. So if we don't reverse from here, this is the only area we're going to reverse from. So I would either be looking for reversals back into the lows, which is previous daily low, or if failure to manipulate, and continuation to take back the high and also the high. Probably to retrace back into the 4-hour gap. So YM, I would be open to both possibilities, longs and shorts, and especially that we get like this 2-stage here. So yeah, let's see what we'll get. 1 minute. Still, yeah, I wouldn't really trade it. Alright, let's wait. Alright, that's really it for NCs. I'm not really sure. And when I'm not sure, I don't try to engage with the price. So we'll wait at least like 55 and then get back to NQ or ES to check what's going on right there, because it's not really clear for the time being. Holy. Just look at that profile. Traded below the low, traded like this. I wanted to take HO yesterday, but I ended up taking CL. It was really clean too. So, yo, what's up? Like and the moderator doing moderator things. Hey Tom, thanks my buddy. Yeah, guys, if you haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. We got 5 likes. Unlike yesterday, I'm sure we're gonna get a beautiful trade here today. I'm sure. We're gonna make it back that mistake. I'm gonna make it back that mistake that I did on Monday. Almost solved it. I still got like a 0.2R, 0.25R. I'm gonna get back to break even. So if I get a 2R trade here, that would be beautiful. So we can just forget about the mistake I did on Monday. But, yep. This one is looking good. So we're kind of trading within a gap. And we're trading within a gap. We just stopped the gap, so just trading into a gap. Okay. Like if price was reverse, it will do from the gap. But still, form, take. That's it. Like easy. C2. Now we're anticipating a C3. Let me check. Oh, CL kind of traded beyond the high, which is kind of trading here now. Also within the gap. So like CL cleared out all these highs. So it might be the time for CL to retrace a little bit. Gap, like this is a daily gap, and it looks really clean. Like this daily gap with such expansion, it looks really clean. So I'll be waiting to see. Maybe we can get some retracement on RB. It seems like it wants to retrace, especially that we kind of just traded above the previous daily high. The next relevant draw is here, so there's nothing really to reverse off of other than this previous daily high, which seems like price is reacting off of it. So it's really good. Which firm account? My funded futures. I went with my funded futures again. Yup. So yeah, that would be the case. So that would be like the daily open 1800, 4 hour. Oh, the profiling is really clean. Not gonna lie, man. Do we have like any 2-stage here or some? Like at least in 1 stage we don't. I actually love the fact that we can open low into a gap and we can form the new low of the day off of a invalidation level, which is the 4-hour gap. So it's really good. I don't really want to counter my bias just because we have a gap here. So ideally, I want to see some sort of retracement, or even if price takes out the high and then forms a new swing, that would be good for me. Ideally, I want to just be positioning myself for buys. I don't really want to look for reversals at that case. CL. Interesting. Really interesting. I just like how the daily profile sets up. The next day was a C2. Previous day was a C2. So now we're just kind of like basically treating that next day profile, which is now we're anticipating a C3. But like the draw on liquidity we don't have. So the only draw on liquidity we can use is like the current high of day, like some sort of overlay swing to the left, which I don't think we have. Yeah, it was just straight expansion to the lows. Probably this high. It's within the gap, but it's a bit far away. So the only thing I can do right now is just wait for retracement. New swing and kind of take it to the highs. Because now, yeah, we got a C2. This is a C3. But if I want to trade the C4, there's nothing really to trade into. This one is a bit far away. And it's not a relevant high, by the way. Just say probably an M15. Probably not M15. It will be like some sort of relevant. It'll have some sort of relevance. Yeah. Other than that, it's not really that good. But M15 looks good. Just look at that. We're forming the low of the day. CISD, gap holding. CISD, gap holding. Are we gonna form that CISD? So we're like, this is like literally if we take this exact profile here and kind of mirror it here, that would be the case. Like we formed the high, then we retraced, and I'm just gonna target whatever the high that was formed. That would be the same case for me here. Form a high, retrace, give me a swing, and then I will target just the high. I think from there to there. No, you couldn't really. Probably not M1. Probably if you check this CISD here to the highs, it could have been like some sort of 2R here. Yeah, it could have been a 2R, but still, I don't trade the 1 minute, so. If OMC, I think we're not gonna trade, man. Can't trade, trade of 8 frozen. For real? Let me check. Let me check. I'm still, guys, in our stream. I'm trying to log into my trader bait. By the way, it's not clicking. I don't know why. That's interesting. Let me check. No, I logged in for me, man. It's working for me. Trader bait is working for me. So, yeah, no issues with trader bait. Yep. CL looks really good. I think he's setting up better for longs. And RB is setting up better for shorts. So, yep, you don't want to take shorts on CL or longs on shorts on RB or longs on HO and CL. Give me 1 sec, guys, and be back. All right. It's frozen for me also. There seems to be an outage. For it? It's working for me. I don't know why. That's good. Yeah, hopefully it keeps working. It doesn't freeze for some. I want to try to take like a trade with like a micro, but no. All right, 30 minute. That's good. I think I like RB for longs, to be honest. If we form that 2-stage, which seems like we're forming right now, this one is gonna form that 2-stage. Not really. No. You just say 1 stage. Sorry. I'm eating here, so I'm just focusing on food. Yeah. We're gonna form the 2-stage here. SMT. It is working, but you can't place a trade. Really? What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Holy shit, what the fuck is this? What the fuck? What is this? Who put the shit here? What the fuck? I just like... What is going on? Sorry guys, delivery guy came in. Orders some stuff. Bro, I want to order some snacks. Do you have cat news? In 5 minutes, don't trade all. Assimilation, I've already done. Alhamdulillah, brother. What the fuck? You hit one. That's him. What the fuck is gonna close after the time? My trade over here also decent. What the fuck, man? Market order? What kind of. What the. Literally, I just logged into my trade over today, bro. Can you imagine? Literally, I just logged in now. Like, just when I paused the stream, I logged in. When the fuck did this trade happen? I don't know when, bro. Thank God it's on stream. Thank God. But if it goes about with like, wait, what price is this? 720.50. 45 bucks. Even if it closes with like minus 100, I don't really care. But like more than 100, like let's see if it closes here. Like what the fuck is going higher? Holy shit. So we're not trading, guys. I'm not really gonna analyze if I'm not gonna trade. Let me see what's going on. Trader V. Do you guys have any idea when it will be up? When it will be back up soon? That's really bad, man. This is really bad. What is going on, Trader V, man? Such an interesting day. Or a good start. Like this week has been really amazing, man. Traderify and Lucid are recommended not to take any trade on Traderify until the issues fail. I had no idea what's going on, bro. I barely checked like Discord or the news or stuff. I just fuck. Hopefully we don't miss like a beautiful trade. Hopefully. When do you guys get updated by the news? Literally, I have no idea. I literally just trade. Look at that two stage at the lows, man. Look at this ISD. Look at this gap. This long looks clean, not gonna lie. This long looks really clean. Not really clean, but let me check. Yeah, it looks clean. Am I gonna take it? No. Why? Because it's before 10. But it's clean. Like you could take here and stop at the bodies because we have a large gap. You can target this high. Oh wait, you never check if we have news? No, not news, because of trader rate news. Like for example, the server is gonna be down or stuff like that. Not news. Yo, what's up? What's up, Bushy? Please, what's the lowest time frame you can actually look for Tuesday? M15. I took that NQ long on top step. This one? Good luck, man. Good luck. 4 hour YM 2 stages empty. Yeah, but where am I gonna execute a trade? I put buy limit on ES. Should I hold it? Because there is news on 10. You mean news at 10? Not very confident. Yeah, just boom. That's why I wait for 10, bro. Like the first 15 minutes of market open. That's why I don't even bother trading the before 10. But I don't know what the fuck is going on here. Oh, now it's good. Come on, like if trader rate is back and price is here, that's good. But I'll make like 200 bucks. That would be a good lag. That would be a good one. Okay, seems like it's setting up for sales. All right, let's get back. Let's get back to the analysis, man. Let's not let trader get us out of the way. Look at that. So what do we got? Oh, this is 6 hour. I thought this is the daily. Silver looks really clean. We still got a drawn liquidity. This wick still support expansion, so that's another good thing. Looking on 4 hour. Directly, I'm gonna go to 4 hour. What do we have? Not really a two-stage BSP, but we have EC2 closure here. We got a high that is sell. Looking really clean. 1800 is here. 1800 is here. Where's 1800? Oh, it's here. Okay. We're kind of solid in the gap. Not really. Do I have SMTs with that one? But silver looks really clean. If this one closes at C2, it's not respecting the low day. Even though like these are a bit close proximity, but still. I would still be looking for longs into current high of day and also Monday's high. And same for silver. The same for gold. Let me do something here. Okay. Oh, wait. This is 5. Forex.com maybe? IC markets? Okay. IC markets. Oh. XEJ, GBP. Oh, Wanda? Not really. Okay, we'll use this one. Okay. Not really. We don't have any two-stage here. Not a two-stage here too. No two-stage. Okay. Let me put gold back here. Silver here. So we don't have any two-stage on none of them. But we only have it like a C2 closure. Children frame a gap, which is the next invalidation level that was just formed right there. Aligned with that daily candle. The daily open is here. 1800. Shallow opposing run with supports expansion. If I want to take gold, I want to take it back into the current high of day, current weekly high, all-time highs, whatever. Like this is all of them. So just gonna put it blue. But ideally I want to take silver. It looks a bit cleaner. There's more structure that we're working with, and especially also the pullbacks are cleaner. Clean pullback, clean pullback, clean pullback, compared to GC just expanding higher. Hourly. Oh, now we have a two-stage here. Now we got this two-stage here. So we got a PSP now. The second stage, look, now we can trade this candle. Now this candle is tradable, especially off of this gap. Off this gap, take it here, stop here, and target at the high. That would be a good trade. But I'll wait. I don't trade before 10. This is not a signal. This is just an opinion, by the way. Do not enter a trade. Let me see. Okay, not very confident about the the NQ. Oh, I got stopped that. It's alright, man. Longs. GC longs trust GC longs trust. I think, yeah, they look good. I think today is better because it may say it's on 1 hour downside. Do you most look for C2 close and trade C2? Also trade the wick. I also trade the wick of C2 and 5 longs, bruh. What does two stage stand for? First time hearing it. SNT. Oh, okay. Crack and curl. Okay. The chat is done. Waiting for the M5 closure. On what? But this one looks good. This long. But I want to wait for the hourly closure. Trade of 8 maintenance. It looks like trade of integration at the moment. Are currently in touch with the broker to resolve the issue. Could get back to trade and solve any inconvenience. Let's wait for the hourly closure. So far, I want to wait for this hourly candle's close, and then I'll be seeking further expansion into the highs. Same for gold. Ideally this, or if I want to see, if I see prices filling, because also now, what do we have? Also we have that second stage, by the way, to the lows. So let's see which one is supported. So if you go to like the daily, we are supported by bullish. We're looking bullish. Ideally want to take longs, especially with that 4 hour closing as C2. So now I would be referring to this SMT. I wouldn't really care about the SMT at the highs. So that's why I would be looking for longs. And I wouldn't care about that SMT. But if it seems like it's holding, then we're going to see what's going on. Especially like on some sort of 30-minute or M15. Yeah. So, what's your PSP indicator? If you check on a Discord, you'll find it, bro. Or you can just go ahead here and type in shot off. Look at what we have now. Forming a gap, which is the new validation level. Are we gonna get this CIZ? If we get the CIZ 100%, we're going to the high. If we get this CIZ, like, bro, I hope Trader Vague gets back on track now. I hope. Holy shit, if I get this set up, I would really take that one, bro, to the highs. Especially that now, when I get that SMT, and it's not really reversing. 7K is going to catch up, and most likely this is fair to manipulate. If we get that closure. If we don't, then yeah. If I don't get, let me see, when was the SMT was formed? Like, the SMT was formed back here. Was formed that candle? Okay. Ideally, now we got that C2 closure. Ideally, I want to see the reversal right now. If it kind of just breaks the SMT now, then really, then yeah, that would make it a bit less probable. But if we get that closure, yeah, I think that's something I would ideally take to the highs, especially in YM. Yeah, because as I said, gap, we want to reverse from here. If we don't, 2 stage at the lows, continue higher. And we're just trading within that daily open, so we still haven't really expanded either way, so. But Trade of 8 has to do its job, bro. Yeah. I think we're missing that trade. Also, NQ looks really clean, by the way. Especially with that double intra-candle changing state. It looks really good because we have two intra-candle changing state within that 30-minute candle. If you really check within that 30-minute candle, we have 2 CISDs. So ideally, you want to take longs to the highs. Wait, where's my high time frame? Let me turn that on. Make it work on a 3-minute high time frame candles. All right, so if you really check within that 30-minute candle, let me check. Let me change the settings really quickly. 3-minute. I'm gonna make it to 30-minute. If you really check within that candle, we have like a double. Oh, let me just turn off the PSP. Yeah, if we get that closure above, that would be really clean. To put stops here, or like ideally, it's a really ideal on what is it called? YM, because by the time this candle will close, most likely than not, 100%, we still got like 3 minutes. It will close what? I see 2-stage PSP. This one's bullish. This one's bearish. Now this one's bearish. This one's bullish. Because it's like a 3-stage cracking bullish. The one that was weak, and also this is a strange switch, by the way. Like the one that swept the lows is closing bullish. The one that did not sweep is closing bearish. So that's a strange switch PSP, by the way. So with that closure, man, Trade of 8, do your job, bro. Your only job is to give us trade, to allow us to execute, and you failed to do your job. Come on, man. That's the only job that Trade of 8 has to do, bro, and you failed at it. That would be my trade if I want to take that one. That would be my trade. If we get the CSD, if we don't, then yeah, it's not a good trade. It's not. And by the way, we still can't wait for the next candle because also this would be confirmed as As long as we haven't traded below the lows. Like we can. Even also, by the way, even if we close it now, this closing us at PSP. Also, if we trade below the lows, we will have what? Eastern switch from stronger to weaker with the PSP. So that's the trade stage. And we can trade that candle. So either the CSD right now or this. And I hope, actually, I hope we get this. Why? It will allow time for Trader Vate to get back on track. That's why. GC. Let me see if we're kind of holding that gap. Yeah, now that gap is like, yeah, this is ideal. This ideal setup because of that two-stage. Because that two-stage away from the hive day, away from the low of day into the hive day. So, but again, like trade of 8, bro, trade of 8, and I don't know why I'm minus $5. That's the question, man. I don't know why. What's up? We got 66 viewers. Holy. What's up, everybody? Go ahead and like the live stream, guys, if you haven't liked the live stream already. And welcome. Alright, seems like we're gonna form that second stage PSP. Again, this one has to close bullish, which I don't think it will. We got a minute and a half. Oh, 20 seconds. Let's see if this one closes bullish. If this one closes bullish, that bearish, ideally I want to see that second stage to kind of form the low of 10 a.m. CISD, then continue to the high. And I would see this as a failure to manipulate. And now, where's 1800? And this being the low of day. So I'm trading away from the low of day into 5D. Or, let's see how the 4-hour closes. Because the 4-hour seems like it's closing a C2. Okay. So now here's the plan. When you have such C2, you either want to frame, because we trade it into a draw, This is where it gets a bit tricky. With proper profiling, if you can profile the high of the 10 a.m. with the two-stage or at least a two-stage, then you can take it back to the lows. Or if you try to profile the low with like a two-stage, you can, because now it's like a both-sided narrative. So ideally I want to take, let me see, 30 minute. Actually, it's a bit better to take shorts, not gonna lie, man. But longs also make sense, especially with the fact that let me turn out of PSP. Let me turn off the PS. Can we take it to 30 likes, boys? We got 70 people here. Oh, welcome. Let me take a screenshot. We got 70 viewers right now, and we got 16 likes. Can we take it to like 35 or 40 or a bit more for the people that just joined this channel, the live stream? Welcome. And from now on, today I'm gonna post a video just after the live stream. I'm gonna post a video trade breakdown for the trade I took on Monday. Tomorrow for the trade I took yesterday. And if we take a trade today, then I'm gonna post it after tomorrow. So yeah, because I did not post on Monday. And on a weekend, probably I will post my first lesson. Probably. I think I will. I think you guys will have a video from me on Monday. Yeah. So, probably gonna start with the bootcamp from this week, I guess. I got motivated. I want to do so. Now let's get back. So far what do we have? Now let me check the precision swing point. So what do we have? I got a two-stage SMT here. And this one is forming as a C2. And not only that, away from a gap. If this is a failure to manipulate, if this is the manipulation, if this is the true manipulation, and this is the true high of day, this won't really form a swing, especially with that two-stage. So, for me... Oh, we already have this SMT here. Oh, interesting. Let me check what ES is doing. Holy, bro, we're going higher, bro. No cap. You can also trade of 8. Come on, do your job. Holy. Okay, we just let it do its thing. I cannot take the trade, guys, because trade of 8 is playing around. So yeah, well, look at that, bro. That closure is gonna just send us to the highs, bro. Yeah, this is in my opinion failure to manipulate, especially with that M15 C2 closure with the two-stage PSP. And not only that, we have Eastern switch here from lower low to higher low. Bro, it's picture perfect. But trade of 8, I don't want to say a bad word, bro. All right, thank you, trade of 8. Man, life is beautiful. CI is the entry, by the way. If you guys can enter. This is not a signal, by the way. I did not take it myself. Okay, did not take it. Okay, that's not a signal. Trade of 8 is not here, so I cannot really execute. So let's see if trade of 8 would do us a good thing or not. Let's see if trade of 8 did a good thing here or not. I actually, like, now, I have two ideas in my brain. I'm like, if it fails, that's good. I just got saved from $500 loss. But at the same time, I'll be like, oh, I was wrong. And if it wins, I'll like, oh, I missed out on 1K. And on the other side, oh, I did not take it. So that's not a signal. I did not take it myself, so. As you see, it's going lower. Ideally, put it here. Yeah, just that low. Or this low, but I probably would have just, I don't know. We can use the time for backtesting. Bro, oils are better for buy. But like now, literally, even if, like that's the thing, bro. Okay, probably is gonna be a no, which is good. Now, even like if I analyze, like there's nothing really I can execute. That's the issue. It's just the fact that Chiriveri is not here, just putting me off, man. It's just like I feel like I'm just playing. Chiriveri is not here, so let me just put that here. Chiriveri is not working, man, for some reason. I don't know why. Technical issue. I don't know how long it will take for that technical issue to get solved. Yeah, and it seems like this one is, it was about to be a fail, which is good. Thank you, Chiriveri. Thank you. Thank you, Chiriveri. Looks bearish. Yep. Yeah. Probably for going to the lows now. Probably. Not probably. Most likely. Ah, man. Okay, come on. Hopefully by the time Chiriveri works, ES is somewhere in here. That would be beautiful. I don't know if they would give me that account. I don't know if they will make that profit or not. I just came. Guys, I just came. Does Chiriveri work for it? No, bro, it does not. If it just doesn't work for you, that's good, because I checked Chiriveri and it opened a trade for me. So, yeah. Gold, yeah, it's just going, bro. Man. Alright. This one fell. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Alright. Chiriveri down. Yeah, bro, it is. That's why I'm not paying attention to what's going on, man. It's just having fun. Not having fun. It's just waiting for it to do its thing. Waiting for Chiriveri to get in touch. To be back. So hopefully we'll be back. Come on, guys. We got 76 viewers and we only have 24 likes. Can we take the likes? Can we take the likes? Maybe like 35 or 40 likes. And for the new people that are here, welcome. I don't know if you have checked the previous live streams or not, but if you did not, welcome to the live stream. Chiriveri is frozen, which is a bit unfortunate today, but yeah. So let me you know what? Let's do a top down while I was kind of waiting for what is it called? For Chiriveri. So what do we have? ES traded into irrelevant draw on liquidity. And if we really check on NQ, what do we have on NQ? We have a 2-stage PSP. So the PSP closed, and also not only that, this one closes below. And now this is like the third stage, if you really check. The first stage is the SMT, second is the PSP, and now the third stage. And like this is a 2-stage SMT with a PSP. Ideally, where we want to take it, like back into previous current low of day or previous daily low. Blue. If you really check on the 4-hour, now we just kind of formed the high of day, which is really clean. Let me just go ahead and do something here really cleanly to make this one better. SMT2. And I'm gonna take this off, the precision swing point. And I'm gonna do settings, put the text higher. Okay, so for now, we just traded below this inside bar. We're seeing a failure to manipulate. So most likely than not, we're gonna go into previous daily low. Looking at 10 a.m. Now what you really need just to kind of like profile the high off of like a 2-stage or something, which we do have here. This is a PSP. That's the second stage. That's another stage here, so you can just trade this expansion. Now we get the CISD. So now this, I don't know, bro, I'm not gonna say anything here because I'm not gonna take a trade. I'm not gonna call any move. I'll try to anticipate something. So it works. Could please take a look on 30 minutes. Did it work or not? Or finally about something else? Let me check if it works or not. Let me log out and log back in. Log out, log back in. No, it doesn't work. Okay, so it was about something else. I don't know why. Gold. Holy shit! What the fuck? Holy shit! What is going on, man? Is that Trump? Is Trump yapping again? Holy shit! That was fucking insane. Yeah, bro. That's why I'm sure is fucking. I think reconnect. It works. No, still for me. Still, bro, it's not working for me. Should I close like turn view and put it back on? Maybe it will work by then. Let's see. What the fuck is this song, man? Let me check. Check if it will it work? Nah, bro, still. It's not really working. Yeah, no. YM to the previous daily low. Not previous daily low, like the current low for yeah, previous daily low. It's Tuesday. Yeah. Such a clean trade. Such a really ideal trade. Oh, man. Also RB, holy. What is going on? Wait, let me check Forex Factory. What is going on? Trader Vate. 13 minutes ago. What time did that happen? What time did that happen, Uncle? It was just like 3 minutes ago. Like 5 maximum. I don't know what happened really. There are no news. CAD news. But CAD news passed like a while back. I'm not sure, man. Let me log in. Let me log into my account. That way we can have the same time as them. Oh, wait. What time? 22:45. This nah. And we got CAD news. 2 hours, 14 minutes ago. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what is going on, man. I'm not sure. Come on, Chitovate. That's bad news, bro. Like, literally, like, just like, bro, this is what I'm gonna do to. This is what I'm gonna do to Chitovate. Like, why would I keep you around? Like, that's bad news for us. Like, why would I keep now Chitovate around, bro? I should probably start trading on Ninja Trader or something. Look at the 4 hour. Looks good. Yeah, RB was a bit cleaner for sales. Oh, we got a 2-stage here. That BSB. It's clean. BSB. Now you can anticipate the push lower, but not like this. Oh, it could have been so lucky if you got in here. Holy. Whoever got in here got so fucking lucky. Not so lucky, but like the move was really clean. So look, CFD gold. My BE hit in CFD. I don't know what you mean, bro. Where's gold? Bro, how can I know like your break even and stuff? Like, you know, how am I the market maker, bro? Now all what we can do, bro, like I'm not really gonna start analyzing, man. I'll just wait for TraderVate. I'll keep my mental capacity until TraderVate is back. Okay. Have we traded back into some sort of gap or something? M15. Traded below A low. Okay. Currently looking into on market data interruption simulation. We're actively working on it. We'll update soon. Okay. Still TraderVate is still. Is there like an official server or something where I can get like the news from TraderVate, or like only thing I can do is just like go on there? Let me show you guys because I'm here on their website. It shows that currently looking into market data interruption with someone actively working on it. We'll provide an update soon. I'm not sure. Is it only the website or is there like another place to look for updates instead of just staying on the website? Maybe like something that can send me notification instead. I'll get notified by it. YM, okay. That shit is so good, man. Just clean expansion to the lows. Yes, clean expansion to the lows too. CISD. Where's the 10 a.m.? This is 10 a.m. Holy. We got a retest? Almost. No, we did not. M5. This not a real ticket. Bro trying to long a whole morning. Bro trying to long a whole morning. Check YM from 4 hours. See to yes. I did not get what you mean, bro. But like for the time being, let's go to daily, man. Ideally, I just want to try to form the low of 10 a.m. here because I still want to look like this is. Wait, where was it? I was showing you guys something here. Yeah, literally, I want to see like some sort of similar model here, like this model. Copy and paste and put it here. We can do something here. We can do this. We can take it from this candle. Control V and price. Yeah. Then see expansions. That's what I want to see right now. Ideally on CL because it's a little bit away from the draw, which is good. But remember, like we got the SMT here, so or RB. RB is also really clean. Dun, 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 dun. I'm sorry, bro, but you've been spamming the chat, so. Life of Noah. Damn, man. Just write one message, bro. So now, for now, we're just gonna wait, man, for TTFM to do his thing, bro. That's the only thing I can do right now. So yeah, for now, I will still be looking for sales. Okay, let's wake up a little bit because I started feeling sleepy, bro. C2. Not only that, I said PSP and we have the SMT with like the previous daily high, also previous daily high. Now, like the 10 a.m. since we couldn't trade it. Now what do I always tell you guys? You take the range to 10 a.m. and ideally you want to wait for some sort of swing within here, which is that aligned model. So if you cannot trade it within here, then especially now it's a lot cleaner now because we traded into a relevant swing, which is kind of that low that also traded below that relevant swing. You want to see a fair to manipulate by two things. You guys always know it: lower time frame manipulation or new swing formation. So ideally I want to see some sort of new swing formation here, and then we can take it back into the lows or somewhere in here. Or it would be a little bit ideal, more ideal, if price kind of pushed somewhere in here and then kind of traced back up, formed that swing, and then because that would be like a bit close proximity to the lows. This one is still a bit far away, especially how this wick is forming. We can still see some sort of reaction off of the AQ, which I think we're doing right now. If I take the 0.5, yeah, the 0.5 is what we're really giving that reaction right now. So ideally, like a new swing formation or that SMT fail, that would be really clean. But hopefully by then we'll have SMT back online, or the draw is still open. Like one or two things, or ideally both. By the time price gets here, if it does manages to get here, or we'll probably have like SES or something, that would be really clean. We'll have both, the draw is still open, and also TTFM is working. If we get these two things, that would be really clean. That would be like the trade for me, because we missed the initial move, which is here, the 10 a.m. Is TTFM here or not yet? Not yet. Okay. So just gotta wait. Look at gold, 5-minute time frame. This is crazy. What's going on? Yeah, that move, 5 minute. Just one crazy move down. It's really clean, by the way. Setting up really nicely. Seems like we're gonna start taking out lows, which is really good. If we're gonna rebalance the range right now, this is the time to do it. This is the time to do it. Oh, look how far price expanded. Like for holy. Has it been expanding for how long? Holy. Forever. It's been expanding forever. If you invested here, 20%. Within a month, you could have made 20%. That's crazy. really good. 20% for a long-term investment. I think Julian probably probably bought some gold. Okay, so I thought this 10-15. So hopefully this 10-15 candle closes as the leafy gap behind, and we'll have like some sort of SMT fail. If we really check NQ, there's no gap. So since it has no gap, so it's the weakest. So it's the strongest. I mean, it's the strongest because there's no bearish gap. So now, like the logic tells us that NQ has more chance to go higher because it's stronger. Also, like if you really check this SMT is still holding, even though it broke it that time. So hopefully that would be like this order block would be the catalyst for a pullback to kind of give that 2-stage with YM, and then we can continue lower. But let's see, so we're gonna see. Especially that we took out that throw. Not only that, we can trade into this level. And what do I always suggest you guys to do? When we have the manipulation of the lows, I'm not gonna target this low. I'm not gonna target this one, I'm gonna target that one. So I think we exactly traded into it. So now we're just kind of forcing that retracement. And if we get that second stage, or just in one stage is enough because we're already aligned with the daily right now. Where's the daily open? Where is the daily open? There's the daily open, I guess, right? Because of the gap, yep. So we're already aligned with the daily, the previous 4-hour candle, so you don't really need to wait for a 2-stage. 2-stage, like if there is, wow, that would be ideal. But if there is not, that's also fine because we're already aligned with the daily and 4 hours, so I don't need a 2-stage. 1 stage is enough. Like a manipulation, I would be willing to trade the C2. But hopefully YM doesn't close the gap, which I think it will. We got 9 minutes left. So let's see if we're gonna form a 30-minute. Let's see. Let's wait for this 15-minute candle to close. There's nothing also here to trade. If you want to trade within this candle, ideally you want to wait. You'll need to have like at least one of the assets want to try to take out a low, which we don't have right now. So right now we're just kind of anticipating that we're gonna reverse, which is not ideal. 30-minute. What do we have here? Got this SMT here. So we have an SMT. Where is the low of day? The low of day is really close. No, that's not an SMT with the low of day. Hourly, 30-minute, 15. I haven't traded below the lows. Yeah, none of them traded below the low. I'm just gonna wait. Lux gold. Okay, gold. Okay, dollar like a yo-yo. Do you face any problem in trade of 8? Yeah, no, like everybody's facing that problem. So, yep. Why did you look for shorts on YM? It is in 4-hour range. I just like the fact that we kind of took out that external that range, and it's a bit close proximity to that high. But if price if you want to take a short here, you're really away from that high. So this is kind of the new high of day. Daily also flipped bearish, so I'm aligning myself. So it is in a range, but again, that 4-hour looks really clean. And this is the only area if price wants to reverse from. If price really wants to reverse, this is the time it will do it from. But probably could have taken a break even right now. Yeah, it could have been out. Probably could have been a break even for me if I took this short stops here. Especially that we kind of took out a relevant swing. I would move my stops to break even because I don't want to see like these deep retracements back into the range. So I would just be waiting for like a, let me see. ES still got a gap. Okay, still got a gap. ES still got a gap, so we still have a chance here. But will it hold for the next 7 minutes? That's the question. That's the question we're gonna ask ourselves. I don't know, 4-hour. C3. Now we're trading that C4. So, and again, like that's what you guys see. Like when you have a gap, either we're gonna reverse directly from the gap or whatever that level that was formed off of the gap. So, NQ traded below the low. Okay, 1 hour. Let's see. If you want to take longs, you need a 2-stage, by the way, or an hourly swing. Either an hourly swing with the 1 stage or a true manipulation on gold, man. There's no stage, 2-stage here. There's nothing really going on here. We only have this SMG here, which is like a minor strength switch from weaker to stronger, from stronger to weaker. Is it this one? Wait, is it that swing? Yeah, but it got broken a while back. So nonetheless, come on, can we get it to 30 likes, boys? Come on, we still got 25. Let me play music, man. Let me play music. Play music. If you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, drop them in chat. Check oil. Oil. For now, I wouldn't really be trading oil. Especially that the fact that there is nothing that I can trade away from. Only if this 30-minute candle closes C2, then we might have a discussion. Especially with like this PSP holding, like we have that one stage, so that would be good. But I would ideally take it on CL. Yeah, I just want to take on CL since it's a little bit away from the draw, and also it's the one that swept the liquidity. It's also the one that swept the low. Like this PSP. This PSP is a swing. By the way, when you have a PSP, like if this one is a bullish candle, this one also a bullish candle. On another pair, it's bearish. And when it's bearish, then that means it's a swing low. So sweeping a PSP is sweeping a swing low too. This is how I view it. So that's for me a manipulation. One sec, guys. All right. So far I did okay. Let's go back. Let's for the people that just joined, because I think they need to see the real me before they like the live stream. I think they need my energy, man. Okay. Let's just clear the charts, bro. Let's go top down, because there's nothing really we can do right now other than wait, let me see if trader Virtus. Okay, still got the issue. Okay. Let's start from, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna start from NQ and going down, okay? And just clean the charts for everybody that is new here. I think now we got 28 likes. I think by the time we're gonna finish this this pre-market, again, this is post-market analysis. I think at least we need 45 likes, at least, or like 50, okay? Because now we got like 32 people that haven't liked the live stream, so we need like an 80% win rate, 80% admiration rate. Okay, so far NQ, what do we got? Like he clean drawn liquidity here. Would I be willing to trade into it today? Maybe, but it's not the cleanest. Why? Due to the fact that we have 1, 2, 3 expansion back-to-back days, and we just kind of traded above a relevant swing, another relevant swing. So I would be expecting some sort of pullback right now. I would. And if you really just look like on an hourly, bro, just look at that. There's when do we want a new phase of price to enter, to start? When we take out highs? Like, look at that. Nothing. Next relevant draw, nothing. So seems like now we're kind of entering that retracement phase. So I don't think price is gonna retrace deeper to kind of rebalance the range, because if you really check, like in Q, what I used to do is like rebalance every, like let's just go randomly, like I don't know, like here, and see if price kind of uses to rebalance the range. This is something this is something I was paying. So let's go here. Let's go to hourly. That's what you tend to see, like at least some sort of retracement to rebalance the range. And again, if we're far from the AQ, we're gonna form a level that we're gonna reverse off of. New range formed. We're probably gonna rebalance the range, which we just did. If we really play price, okay, rebalanced. There's nothing to reverse. There is a level to reverse off on AQ. Okay, reversed off of it. Now market open. I think we're gonna retrace at some point, and especially with that gap. Let's see. Okay, look, the range has been rebalanced. Let's continue. Again, this is the last range we're gonna work with. Range rebalanced. Okay, got disrespected. Now we're working with a new range. Okay, just almost got rebalanced. Okay, it did. We delivered lower. Now it just, again, so if you really pay attention, NQ doesn't really just expand directly. Like it does from time to time. And when it does, this is what you tend to get. Like when you expand, for how long now we've been expanding? Let me check. 10 days, look at that, holy. But I think it's not 10 days. I think because of the weekend, because it shows here 7 days. This is Monday. So it's been like expanding for a whole week. Like this is when you, let's see if we have a draw. Yeah, we have a draw here. What? But like this is the sort of PA we get after we kind of hit draws. So for now, like take this similar price, and I think this is what we kind of anticipate to get. Let me clear the drawings, by the way. Right now, I'll leave it there. So that's what we're getting right now. Like, because the price has just been expanding. If you really check, the last range that has been rebalanced is this. Other than that, and now it was just been rebalanced just by what? Just by market open. And since then, bro, just look at that. Nothing. So look how price is overextended. Now we're trading an extreme premium. If you really check, this is 50, this is 0, this is 25. If price is like over that 75 mark and you're trying to trade like between the 75 and 100, like that's so overextended. At least you need some sort of manipulation of a clean draw, of a clean level. Like for example, in that case, if I want to take longs, at least I want to see like this low gets taken out, at least. Why? That probably would cause price to enter a new phase of price. Now this is that retracement. This is kind of that trigger for reversal. There's nothing really here to trigger the reversal. Like this, we had this minor low and it failed. This one looks cleaner, especially we have this gap below it. So ideally, if I want to take longs on NQ here, but would I be anticipating that today we're gonna get the high taken out? Not sure, but I think tomorrow has a more probability. And again, remember we have FOMC, so it might just push price higher. So for now, if I want to take longs, ideally here, what a two-stage cracking correlation here, because now like the daily open is somewhere in here, daily open is here, the previous 4 hour, and also by the time that we're gonna get price manipulating that low, that 4 hour candle is gonna be bearish. So ideally I want to take like a two-stage cracking correlation, because now I'm trading against that current 4 hour candle, which I don't want to do. If you wanna trade the best expansions, you want to align all time frames. Now the daily is on our side, it's bullish, but by the time we're gonna take that one, if you take that one, you know what, we're gonna go to Control C, V, we're gonna do another one, but this one is not gonna be, it's gonna be the 4 hour. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so ideally, give me 1 sec, boys. All right, so I'm back. So what I was telling you guys, like if you really check on an hourly and 4 hour, let me change the 4 hour here. So again, this is like a lesson. Again, since we're not really trading for the time being, the charts are not working. So let's just go ahead and show you guys. Like let's take it step by step. If you really check now, like the previous 4 hour candle is bearish. When do we want to trade expansions? When we have daily on our side, 4 hour on our side, because again, GxT, the whole purpose of GxT is to try to profile a whole 4 hour candle. Profile a 4 hour candle. Try to catch the low or the high, like the low of a bullish candle or the high of a bearish candle. So since bearish candles open high, low, close, ideally you want to position yourself between the open and the high. And if you want to take shorts, you try to position yourself. If you want to take longs, you want to position yourself between that open, low, somewhere in here. Or the next ideal position is between the low and the high of that current 4 hour candle. There will be new invalidation levels, either some sort of lower time frame like a short-term swings like lows, or some sort of gaps. That's where we'll look for a like a two-stage cracking correlation or something. That's where we'll look for SMT fails and stuff. So in that case, when price is going to be here, the 10 a.m. open is here, so we're trading against it. We're trading against that 10 a.m. So ideally I want to see two-stage cracking correlation here to kind of take it back up. That's really what I would do on NQ. Again, I was talking too much. I hope you guys got the point. So yeah, like the whole purpose is to align daily, 4 hour, 30 minute. Again, 30 minutes is just not that relevant. You can take a bearish like with like a two-stage, and you want to take longs, you will be trading that current 30 minute. It will be bearish, most likely than not, just like we did on YM. If you really check on YM, like, by then it was bearish, because if it opens and probably from some sort of like order block here, that CISD, by the time we'll have the CISD, the candle is still bearish. But again, we don't try to profile a 30 minute candle, we try to profile a 4 hour candle. So in that case, it wouldn't really matter for a 30 minute. But again, position yourself within a daily, that's good. 4 hour, because again, the whole purpose of 10 a.m. is to trade a full 4 hour candle. So in that case, I would really be looking for a new swing to form somewhere in here to enter that new phase of price of expansion, retracement. This is kind of that catalyst for expansion. That's what I would be looking at it. New phase of price, that retracement or consolidation, that would be like minor consolidation. Now we're kind of trading, breaking below it. New swing formation, trade higher. That's what I would be looking at. And then try to, as I told you guys, two-stage here, and then look for the highs to go. I thought 4 hours is better than M15 or personal preference. I thought 4 hours is better with M15. Again, if you want to take it with M15, perfect. But the way you will trade it is the two trades fractal model way. 4-hour C2 and then take an M15 CISD. I don't trade that way. I don't trade this way. So you can, like, for example, 4-hour. Let's look. Okay, let me take again. This is not the way I would do it. Let's wait for let's look at a clean swing formation. Something that is really clean. Something that is really obvious. Okay, here. This one looks good. C2. M15. Do we have intra-candle change in state? Nope. Would you wait? You'll have to wait for that one. We got a change in state. We got another CISD here. Yeah, we'll take it here. Put a buy. Stop here. And you, I don't know, take it at the highs or whatever. Let's just say you try to rebalance the range. Like you're thinking that. Try to rebalance the range. Probably go somewhere in AQ. Let's just give it here. That would be a way. That would be a way to do it. But I would not trade it like this. Look, I just got swept out. I wouldn't take it this way. That's why I try to profile in the 4-hour candle with like some sort of flow on the hourly or 30-minute. Okay, that's Tuesday trade. Was it? Okay, forget about it. The 4-hour, if you want to trade the T-Trace fractal model, yeah. But if you want to trade the GxT, it doesn't work like that. 4-hour, 1 hour, then if I take exactly. So ideally, you want to profile that 4-hour candles low or high with like an hourly or 30-minute swing. Or if you're aligned again. Okay, guys, pay attention. Okay, literally, I'm trying to give everything that I know here. Okay, let me try to figure out like you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to 10 a.m. I'm gonna go to M15. I'm gonna turn on my position swing points. I know what I'm gonna do. Okay. All right, somewhere in here. Okay. This example is really clean. Why? When would I try to trade the M15? When the previous 4, so this box is the open of 10 a.m. Okay, this is the 10 a.m. candle. Like if you really check, this is 10 a.m. This is 13:45. This is an M15, so it will close at 2. Okay. When price is just expanding, the previous 4-hour candle is just expanded. Look at that. Like the previous 4-hour candle. Look at that. You know what? I'm gonna do this. Select bar. You know what? Just gonna make it a little bit here. Here. Look at that 4-hour candle, what it did. Do you think now I'm gonna wait for a 30-minute swing to form? No. Why? Price is just expanding, so I'm not really gonna be waiting. What I'm gonna be doing is waiting for a. This is a PSP, so most likely this was a bearish candle on ES or NQ. Look at that. What do we have? A second stage. Now I can trade the SMT fail. So in that case, you can trade this CAC somewhere in here. For example, this is yesterday, by the way, but I did not take this one because of the equal lows. I don't remember why I did not take it yesterday, but let's just forget about it. I don't know, because I was focused on CL yesterday. That's what I took. If you take this trade, now I would take this 3-minute. And the next draw, we failed to manipulate this one. Now we're gonna go to next draw or the next draw. That's your 2R. In that case, that's when I would be waiting for. That's when I would be waiting for an M15. That's when I will use the M15, but I will not use the M15 as entry. I will not go and be like, oh, let me wait for an M15 order block to form. I'm not gonna take this. No. I'm just gonna try to profile an M15 swing and then trade away for like 3-minute or M5. So that's how I would do it. Or you can use the projections, like some people use the projection. There was a guy with me yesterday who uses the projection. You could take the projection and to kind of give you confirmations about like the targets you want to take. Like this is 4.5, so you would expect some sort of reaction between the 4. So if your 2R is somewhere between the 4 and 4.5, you just try to close your trade. So that would be the case. And again, this is for another topic. This is when I would use the M15. That's why I tell you guys, you need to tune in the live streams because this is literally how I trade. Like you will. Okay, now what are we having? PSP. Since this one is another asset, it's bullish. Do you think it took out the low? But I think all assets took out a low before. Yeah, they took out a low. Took out a low. Okay, so it's flipping right now. We have this SMT. What low is this? 1300 Tuesday. 1300 Tuesday. Let me go back to 1300 Tuesday. 1300. Where is it? Here. We got this SMT, but it's not really relevant. It's really spaced out. But again, this is the new place to enter a new phase of price. Ideally, I want to see either a C2 formation and try to seek expansions along the way. If we don't have a 2-stage cracking correlation here, that wouldn't really be a problem for me. But again, remember, we still have the SMT here. And look at that. So we have this SMT. With that closure, we'll have that 2-stage SMT, but it's a bit far away, so I don't really trust it. Or I would be seeking M15 2-stage SMT fail or like 2-stage crack correlation or along the way when we have that hourly closure. Again, let's wait for 11 a.m. and then I'll tell you guys what I'll do. But again, I will be looking for longs from here. If not, I will be looking for a failure to manipulate. Yes. Yes. We do have a CISD, by the way. We have a CISD kind of confirming the high of day away from a relevant swing. And now we're just kind of trading back into that previous daily range, which is a bit interesting. And if we really check on a 4 hour, I guess we have, you know what I'm going to do? Let me do my PSP indicator. I'm going to do something here. Inputs. No, inputs, yeah. Let me do just filter by signal. I'm going to do it from 6 a.m. Yeah, I just need the 6 a.m. Or you know what? We'll do from 2. Alright, I do from 2. I also don't want to see the 2 a.m. because it might form the high of day. Alright, that's until like 1400. Okay. Yeah, because there are a lot of PSPs here. Okay. So 2 a.m. did not form a PSP. Also, that one did not form a PSP. But this is a PSP. So we're trading within a PSP. We're trading into a gap. So, first things first. We're traded above a relevant draw. Bro, let me see what's going on here. Let me see if trading... Come on. Okay, let's forget about it. Wait, let me put an alert here. Let me put an alert here. Okay. Let me see what's going on here. Oh, we have... Holy. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything, bro. We have something here. But again, with the profiling, you need to profile the 4 hour candle. I did not come to... I did not... I just forget about it. So far on ES, where's the daily open? Like, we're really close to the daily open, which I don't really like. So we might anticipate some sort of delayed protraction profile form the low of day. This low of day is not really off of anything. If you really check, it just opened and expanded really right away. You could try to like force it with like this auto block, this C2, and now because we got the reversal here, this might be an idea. But still, I don't like the fact that this low is not that well formed, and especially how close we are to that current low of day. So it's not really the cleanest in terms of formation for the time being. But still, I think we can, with proper candle closures, with proper profiling, it will be fine. So remember, like, this is the open of 10 a.m. What do I want to see? Ideally, so there are two things that I would be open for. A failure to manipulate. Ideally, I want to see a failure to manipulate, and I want to trade it back into the current low of day, or an hourly swing with a 2-stage, which I don't think we're gonna get, as I told you guys, because we traded below the previous daily low. So if we want to get a 2-stage, and at least it'll have to be the next candle, because that would be a 1-stage, the PSP. We don't have any SMTs, so the SMT will be somewhere in here if we're trying to frame like a 2-stage PSP. So in that case, ideally I want to see, like, as I was telling you guys on YM, let me see if YM traded above the high. Okay, no, it's not YM. YM is here. Okay, YM traded really above the high. It's traded way beyond the high. So we have like this second stage here, but again, this one did not close as a PSP. So and we don't have the gap on none of them. ES closed the gap, YM closed the gap, NQ closed the gap. So I wouldn't really be trading like this. I wouldn't be trading this because I only trade within a C2 when we have a 2-stage or an SMT fail. In that case, there is nothing. It's just trading above the previous M15 candle. Only I'm gonna do it if, for example, we kind of trade it into a relevant swing. Now, if we trade it into a relevant swing, we're gonna get a second stage. That would be good. That's something I would trust because we traded into a relevant swing. Now, in that case, there is no relevant swing for me. It's just previous M15 candle, which is nothing. So the 4 hour, yeah, we just traded below. Or just traded into the gap. This is 1800. Just traded into the gap. Now, NQ just broke the XMT. Did we trade below 2200? All right. So NQ just broke the SMT, which is interesting. Okay. All right, we'll have to wait at least for that next 30-minute candle to close. But even if we do, like, we cannot execute anything. Come on. Let me turn out the PSPs. There are a lot of PSPs here, bro. So yeah, I'll have to wait for this 30-minute candle to close and then to figure out if I want to take longs or shorts. Especially that this is a relevant swing. This is the next new validation level because I don't really care about this gap, especially that this one's just kind of inside the bar. This is an inside the bar. This gap for me is irrelevant. This is the gap, especially that the day opened. And what do you guys know? When we have a day opening, within that day, for example, this is 10 a.m. right now. This is 1800, the lowest. Within that 1800 and 10 a.m. range, there will be some sort of new invalidation level to keep that daily candle supporting, like to keep holding it to go higher. Now that daily candle is bullish, we have a new invalidation level for price to keep continuing higher, which is that gap. So with proper 2-stage cracking correlation here, I'll probably be looking for the highs. Or if we see a failure to manipulate, I would trade it back into the current low of day, since it's not an established low of day. And also if you really check on hourly, it's not a relevant swing. It's not a relevant swing. It's just open. So I will still be willing to trade below the lows. I will still be willing to trade below the lows here, somewhere in here. So with the failure to manipulate, I need to see failure to manipulate. And again, the criteria for a failure to manipulate, if we get it, I'm gonna go ahead and discuss it with you guys. So yeah, we'll have to wait for the hourly candle to close. Yep, for CL, it's really setting up nicely, and I hope this 30-minute candle, it closes like this. I don't really care if it closes here, I just need this one to close this PSP, and for this SMT to keep holding. If this SMT keeps holding, not keep holding, it's just I don't want none of the assets to break the SMT. I want the SMT to stay here. This one, if it closes on inside the bar, that will be fine. Not only will have one stage, second stage, so this is a strength switch SMT. That's the first thing. Just that enough is tradable. Like now, this is tradable. This is tradable. Why? Because we have a strength switch. Just this alone by itself, with a CISD, is enough for me to take it. But again, since I'm not trading myself, so I'm not gonna really call anything here. But yeah, with proper, yeah, if I try to tell you guys a trade or something, because I'm not gonna take it myself, so it's like a financial advice. So it's better if I take it myself, and then if you guys can decide if you're gonna take it or not. So, but for the time being, yeah, I just want to see this one close on a PSP, or for the assets too, like at least one of them. This one to keep trading far from the low, which I think CL will not trade below the low, and it would be ideal if this one closes at PSP. So we'll have a 3-stage, the strength switch, and also the PSP. And if we just have the SMT here with like a C2 closure, if we have the C2 closure here, that would be also perfect. Now we're framing the low of 10 a.m. from a strength switch into the current high of day, aligned with that daily candle. And if you really check on a 4-hour, the current low of day formed off of a protected level, which is a gap. We form a new invalidation level. Look at that. What do we have? Gap that was formed with an inside bar. Isn't it the same as the one on NQ? Isn't it the same on the one on NQ? What do we do to that gap? We don't give a shit about it. Price just kind of trades below it, and it goes to the next gap. So that's what you tend to see. Like when we form like a gap with an inside bar, it doesn't really hold, because what's the whole like here in that case, like it did hold. Let me check. In that case, it did hold, but like the whole concept of a, what is it called? The whole concept of like a gap is to show that price expanded on that direction. But if it closes an inside bar, for me, it's not that high probable. And again, by the time this is 10 a.m., so this one formed like during low volatility, 1800. So yeah, this one at least that range was there was some sort of volume there. So you're sweeping a irrelevant swing. So you could reverse off of the low, but here you're not really reversing. Like we reversed off of the high and pushed lower. So for the time being, yeah, with this 2-stage now, it's, oh my god, holy, yeah, that looks really clean. And I love CL, by the way, guys. For the people that are here, I love. So, yep, you could share it as an insight, no problem. Wait, like and summoner. EQ one time 8 minutes. Just what's up, brother? Drink some water. It is the ah man, y'all don't want me to share. Okay, guys, for the people that were learning, I'm sorry guys, but I have to drink water. Shit, man. When I talk about charts, I love the charts, bro. I can talk forever. Come on. Now we need 50 likes. After 1 hour of yapping, bro. After an hour of yapping, can we take the likes to 45 or 50? And if you guys have questions, that would be a lot better. Oh, bro, CL is really set up nicely. Yeah, this one is setting up really nicely. This one is setting up really nicely. Bro is a true fighter. I have to give brother. What would you rate the GC setup Which failed? The one with the gap? But again, remember, they're into a relevant swing, so. Let me check. No, we're trading into relevance. Like for me, like by the time price is gonna trade beyond the relevant swing, I want to see if I were to manipulate. So in that case, I would just move stops to break even. You guys know I will manage my trade. This is how I would manage that trade. If I wasn't that trade, that's how I would manage it. Enter the gap, stop at the body, go for 2R, go for the high. Broke above the level, I'm just gonna go ahead and move my stop here because I don't want to, this is the next protected swing. In my opinion. If this one's gonna get swept before moving higher, I don't want to see that. For a fair to manipulate, I just want to see a price continuing higher directly. Especially that this swing was just formed right now. So I'm not expecting price to reverse off, like to reverse from here. So it will be like a tiny L. Not even an L, like this is 13 points. Losing 2 points. So like 15% loss was like 0.1 R. So yeah. In Q2R done. Perfect, man. Would you keep lines the 4 hour? Would you take longs to the 4-hour wick like we would have here in Q? Yeah, with proper narrative, yeah. With the proper correction correlation, yeah, I would. Sometimes for explanation. For the Muhammad's question, I think I'll go ahead. Like for the weekend video, I'm gonna post a video on the weekend, so I'll try to explain that out. So you guys know when I try to explain, I'll give you guys all the, what is it called? All the cases that you might face on the market. So like after the video, you'll be good to go. In Q2R done. Perfect, man. Perfect. If you have questions, you can use the Discord. That's a valid point of view. I didn't go BE, man. Need to manage this. Yeah, always manage your trade, bro. Especially with new invalidations levels along the way. You should manage your trade. Sometimes oh, we got an M5 closure. Okay, let's paper trade. Let's try to paper trade here. Plus 100 million, what the fuck? Let's see. Fair to close on M3. Thanks, you're welcome, brother. Look at YM. I think that's a PSP, right? Yeah, C2 PSP forming the hive 10 a.m. Back to basics. Back to basics. I know future song called Back to Basic. But I don't know what you're talking about. I think I like that song by my future. Back to the basics. Is it Back to the Basics? Yeah, I love that song, bro. Look at that. It reminded me of it. Thank you. I don't know if we have his love. For the people that just joined, if you just go like 10 minutes before now, like I don't know what time was it, like 42, you'll see me yapping. you can learn something from there. You get a lot of value from there. Back to paper trading. Yeah, of course. Always, bro. I'm a paper trader. Ah man, when trader is gonna work? Trader maintenance. It looks like there's a technical issue. Oh man, it took too long. Do you guys like have a you don't want. That's beautiful. Damn. That's really unfortunate. Look at that. Failure to manipulate two-stage cracking correlation. high of 10 a.m. Like high of 10 a.m. High of day. Previous daily low. Drawn liquidity. SMT not reversing, so we're gonna expect an SMT break. Trade of 8. I don't know if it makes sense. Metamani ara de cara de capopo. Where's 10 a.m.? 10 a.m. is somewhere in here, right? Yeah, 10 a.m. Look at that, bro. What time is it now? It's almost 11. I can love count if that's total. Alright, can we get like 50 likes, boys? Come on. If you haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Come on, man. Come on. TRT gang. TRT community. HO. Interesting. HO is really interesting. Really good. Oh, CL. That's HO. Sorry. CISD. That's really clean. This one is setting up really nicely. Look at that gap. So with this break, probably gonna get that break too. Look at that, it's real. Like YM is setting up nicely. HO is also setting up nicely. Let me check out the precision point. It takes a lot of time for TradingView to respond. Like when you do the settings, it takes like let's see how long it will take to show that. That's taking too long. Holy shit, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Sort of visibility, probably go like M3. M4, so we'll not show like the PSPs. Yeah, man, that's my setup, man. You guys know what I trade, so I don't even have to talk. I don't even have to. You guys already know what I do. I know what asset I prefer. You guys already know. Yeah, that's trade of 8. What is this? Let's see. So you got 2 minutes and a half for candles close. Look at that. When I press settings, let's see how long it will take. Again, it probably take like 10 seconds too. Okay, it's not closing, which is good. First stage. Middle, center, probably bottom. What? By the way, there's one that is called GxT profiling. I think it's just like it is literally same as a T-trace fractal model. Oh, let me take that off. I'll copy it from here. It's a lot better. I got the parameters working still. Hey man, what's up? Hey man, Facebook. Hey man, how are you doing, brother? Maron Faraza. How are you doing, brother? All right, let me see what's going on here. Yeah, it seems like we're not getting that closure. Okay. Also on 095, we're not getting that closure on CL. Okay. That's good. Oh my god. Ideal scenario, bro. Like, this is the ideal scenario. Look at that. The candle is literally closing right now. We already have the new validation level within the next candle. But I don't know. Is it valid? I'm not going to take it, by the way. I'm not taking that trade, guys, by the way. So, have your own risk. Miss 2R NQ factor. Yeah, bro. Yeah, but that is... I'm watching your stream. I'm watching your stream from India. Shout out to India, bro. Shout out to Mumbai people. Shout out to I only know Mumbai and Shah Rukh Khan. Let's take a paper trade. No. Do not execute. Okay, just let it do its thing. By the way, I'm not in trade, guys. So yeah, because of trade rate. But I don't know if I was gonna take it or not. So it's not a financial advice. But it looks fine. Looks fire, not fine. Looks really clean. That's something. These are cool, huh? Is there like some sort of SMT here? Not really. Watch Indian movies? Nah, bro. It was just like so famous. Yeah, it was so famous. Him and Jackie Chan, bro. Just some names are just so famous. Yeah. Even if you don't watch football, bro, you'll know Messi. Everybody knows Messi, Ronaldo. So just like that. This indicator is good. I don't know who made it. This indicator is good. Yeah, it looks really good. C2, T-spot, bro. Like, literally, this is the exact same one. If it has the SMT, I think T-Trace fractal model is gonna go broke. Nobody would buy it. Yeah, look at that C2, bro. Holy. Wait a minute. Let's see. Like, oh wow, that's really good. I like somebody told me this indicator. Like, I think it was Atom. It was you, right? I think it was Atom who mentioned it. I'm not sure. But yeah, bro. I think I'm gonna be using it from now on. That looks clean. Oh, it gave the C2 closure. That's good. Yeah, it's actually good. Not gonna lie, it's good. Me see the gold. Oh, that's good, bro. You guys, okay. If it was just I show speed, man, I'd be like, oh, Messi, oh. I'm gonna get famous, like, and make content off of Messi, bro. But man, shout out to I show speed, man. The goal of live streaming. What indicator is it? Like, if you really check indicators, it's GxT. If you type in GxT, it's GxT profiling. GxT profiling by this guy. Oh, this guy did a really good job. Join. Oh, it just joined script. Oh, he gave the script? No, did not. At the SMT, this will be helpful. No CSD pre. Who's this guy? And that guy. They literally want to teach you a science practical model, man. Please add SMT to your short block and please fix standard deviation spot. Holy, thanks a lot. Yeah, I like it, but seems like not looking at the information in GxT spot for my candlestick. Hopefully updates can appreciate the work. It's long time to confirm the C2 and it's not precise. What is this? Boost? Give him a boost. It's actually worth it. Open source is sharing view spare? Oh. The creator of this script has made it open source that users can review and verify the codes. Oh, nice. So what is it? Oh, no. Get back. Get back. Come on. Wait. Let me see that. Let me see. Is my indicator shows that it's scripts. Oh man, joined back in 2020. Demo trader. This script is published closed source. However, you can use it freely and without limitations. Oh yeah. That we're getting into something. We're getting into the bank card. It's called GxT profiling, bro. GxT profiling. Michael? Is it Michael? No, Michael already. Is that you in the profile? No, my brother. Yeah, that's me, bro. That's me like a 2 years ago or a year ago. Back in August 2024. So that's like a year and 4 months. Yeah. I already have the script load. If you want, I can share it. Oh, it was IX3. I get. Wait. Use the one. It is free. Wait. Use the one with GxT profiling to interview. No, you'll know how bad the previous version was. What's your X account name, brother? I don't have an X. I do have a personal account, but when I'll have it. By the way, if you guys haven't joined the Discord, by the way, go ahead and join the Discord, boys. General, come check what's going on. General. Is this CBE trade? I didn't want. Wait, is this CBE trade? I didn't go BE. Yeah, for me, I would have won. Oh no, bro. I wouldn't have entered here. I would have entered from the gap, to be honest. I would have entered from the gap. I would not really enter here, because that would be like my next trailing stop. I would probably put my stop somewhere in here. And the XR would go higher, I think. So maybe with retrace, in my opinion, the higher high was just the manipulation. Exactly. So by the time it's so close proximity to the high, so I will be like, I will make dodgy moves, bro. Do you know dodgy? That's how I would do it, bro. Break even here, break even here, and take like it. In that case, yeah, I would, because we formed a new invalidation level, so I would trail my stops to the next invalidation level, which is that low. So if you guys haven't joined the Discord already, let me see how many people we got here. Server settings, we got 75. Okay, probably like by the time we finish the stream, we'll have like 80 here, I guess. So you guys can come in here. Let me see. And when I'll have a new social media, like probably Twitter or something, I'll go ahead and post it, guys. Okay. So it'll be, you guys will get notified there. Thanks, welcome, bro. I'm about to join Lens for live chatting experience. Should I join or should I watch your stream? If you can afford the Lens, bro, go ahead and do it. Is it free or paid? No, it's free. He gave away script. That's a GxT over 3 month trial. Have auto correction with SMG status disclosure. What is the indicator called? What is it? No, it's been like more than a month that I had it on my chart, so it's not a trial. I don't think it's a trial. Is that you? Yeah, I already have the script. Yeah, I think it was you who shared it, right? Should I share it? I think we did share it with the Google Drive. I think I'll provide the Google Drive. If you guys need the script, you can just tag me or an AIXC will do the job. It will give you guys on the Discord. So if price creates low today, we have SMT, but we don't have key level. Do we consider it? Yeah, bro. Because if we have the SMT, then again the SMT has to be with a valid relative, like a relevant swing. If that's SMT, yeah, of course, because the other one swept, so yeah, it will be valid. You know dodgy paper guy? I don't think he's a paper guy anymore. I think he's doing good for himself. Should I share? Yeah, bro. If you invite link or the Discord is invalid. Is it true, guys? Is the one on the description not working? If it's not working, how? Wait, let me try to edit the live stream right now. How can I edit the description? That's the question. Let me see. YouTube Studio. Open Studio. How can I change this? Description live? Let me check. Software engineering. Here. to server, copy link. That would be here. Control V, save. Check the new link, guys. Let me check. We got 75 members earlier, right? So let me check. Server settings. So we got 75. Okay, so it was actually true. All right, so that's core server, guys. You can go ahead and join, and we can have like a conversation there. And so whenever I'm live streaming, I go ahead and post it. There was something I posted here. Shout out to listen again. This is if you guys check it, you'll see what happened right there. Right, a beautiful getting sweat. Shout out trade. I'm gonna go ahead and post. Oh, bro, gotta post yesterday's trade here. And yeah, trade breakdowns. I'm gonna start posting the videos here for whenever I upload like a trade breakdown. I'll go ahead and post it here. So. Don't know good. Bro is a lot better. Bro is better, my brother. We are bros here. Okay, setting up good. But it's just kind of ranged for a minute, so. Oh, hey. Look at that, bro. Such an interesting YM day. I think short video was really good. Can you explain how you frame if the next relevant higher for the low should be the target? What do you mean? Wait, can you explain how you frame if the next relevant high or if the low should be the target? Depending on how you provide the daily, if you provide the daily to have an open low close, then you probably want to target somewhere in here because you're expecting the day to continue higher. So that would be your next draw. If your daily is bearish, because the daily profiling comes first and then the target. So use that day, then use the target. You profile it, however you profile the day, then you can use. Or if you have here, you can just trade above a high and you want this high to get taken out. And then you want to see if to manipulate here. Then continuation higher. Or two-stage cracking correlation at a irrelevant swing to go for the low. I got it right now, so I'm everybody's friend. If I ever lose it, we'll never speak again. We got 50 viewers. I think we got new viewers. Can we take it to like 50 likes? Can you guys imagine that? Well, let me show you guys something here. Look at that, bro. In total, we got 431 viewers. So there are a lot of people that came in and left and came in and left and came in and left. So I think from the 50 that we have now, it just dropped to 45. Okay, so for the $45 here, I think there are a lot of people that are new here. So if you guys haven't liked live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That would really help your channel grow. That's how you guys can help me. All right, perfect. All right, come on, let's get back to trading, bro. I feel like I'm just sleeping here. All right, okay, wait. Now this looks like the true reversal, man. Look at that C2. Look how far price close. But again, this looks like a relevant swing to me. And 15. We don't have you to stage here. 30 minute. We don't have you to stage here. Not a C2 inside bar. Not a C2 too. Oh wait. Oh, we do. Want to confirm this IST here. What's good, my brother? Gold, yeah, like gold looks like I don't know, bro. I don't want to call out trades, man. Like for now, it seems like Shirveda is about to work. Wait, it's taking some time to respond. So I think it might be working. Wait, let me check. No, it's not. Okay, seems like it might be working. Wait. Is Shirveda back? Is Shirveda back? Come on, I'm not connected. Bro. What? Close this, bro. Close it. Wait. Let me see. Is it back? If it's back, bro, I'm gonna wake up. You can, okay. Yeah, because it seems like because it took a while for it to respond. So it might be. Let me check. Let me see. Jeremy? Let me check if we can. Let me check if we can. I'll have to wait again for 10 seconds, bro. Come on. Come on, man. You have to wait for 10 seconds for that to show. So just bear with me, guys. You guys can still hear me, right? So, for the people that just joined, they'll be like, oh, starting soon? But the stream has been going for 2 hours. What is going on here? I don't know, bro. This one is not showing. So, I don't know why back. It will load soon. It will load pretty much soon. I don't know, bro. It doesn't want to click. Capital. None of them clicks. None of them. So is it just from my side? I think it's my side. Because also the indicator. Okay. But I see markets works. Fusion mark. None of them work. Good. Good. That's a good day. That's a good day. Let me check. We back, baby. Are we back? But still, nothing showing here. Nothing showing. I'm here. Let me check my ES, bro. Come on, let me check the ES, bro. Holy shit, so frozen. But that's good, bro. Come on, stay here. Let me see. I'm up. I'm up to the $8. Let's go. Yeah, still not working, bro. Survey's still not working. Let me log out. Let me log out. Let me log out. Log out. Alright. Oh, can you imagine him being like a big position trade, bro? And having such issue. Holy. That would be so bad. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's see what is going on here. Okay, we decided to trade above that swing, which was really clean. Not to be honest, this 2 stage was really clean for me. Not gonna lie, I would be so open to taking shorts here. It's just the only thing is probably not the cleanest CISTs. Like it's just kind of stacked high. So now we're just gonna decide to clear out the high too, and now we're forming a 3rd stage. But again, now it's just like a new stage here, like a new 1st stage. C2 closure, 3 minute. Let me check this one. 4 hour. Let me check how the hourly close. Wait. Now the only thing you can do right now is, oh, we got the CISD on HO? We did, but I don't like how we range. Ideally, if you want to like look for longs, ideally I want to say a gap and then trade away from the gap. I don't like when we range or in you SMT here. That's what I would be. I don't like when we kind of fail to manipulate. First 1, 2. It took a bit. It took some time for us to see CISD. Almost like a whole 4-hour candle. So 1 away like from 50 likes enough that. Yeah, bro. Like somebody, if you haven't liked the live stream, for the 2 people that just joined the stream, I see you. Come on, like the live stream. Say, got 1 like for 50 likes. Come on. Hit the likes. Come on. Work now. For real? Is it working? But I don't know, bro. Did not work for me. RTY was the cleanest. I don't trade RTY. Let's see what RTY was doing. Interesting. But trade of it was not working. so no trade anyways. Now this is that only day where I'll be like, oh, if I miss your trade, that would be fine. because this trade of it is not working. So I'll be like, oh, that's fine. Oh no, what is this? HO. Wait. Somebody asked, I saw someone in the comments said, does GxT work on stocks? Okay, now we just opened this one by chance. Bro, get back. Okay, like for now, bro, I don't really want to be trading YM really at the time it's just like sitting within the range. I thought like this, especially kind of confirming this closure below, and we got the SMT with the highs, like which is an SMT fail. So that was like the area to reverse, and now we're kind of reversing off of the low. So in this case, bro, I'm just gonna leave YM alone, like let her do her thing. Oh, that's what I was talking about. Like probably gonna go to the next current low of day, and now are we going to see? Are we going to see price shooting higher because we just have a delete projection? You know what, guys? I think since we're not trading today, I think I might close the stream like half an hour or so. Yeah, I'm just for exactly, bro. It's just. I have been back to 10. I'll do approach because mostly it's reverse. Yeah, just profile the high. I don't try to plan it. Like if it's a reversal candle, try to profile the high or the low of the candle from a protected area. That's it. So if it's a reversal, this is 6 a.m. reverse. If you reverse off of that 6 a.m. high or like a relevant swing, then try to find two-stage current correlation here, or two-stage current correlation here. That's it. That's really it. Yeah, it's just the volume is just so dead. Yeah, this one's good. This trade is really clean. It's gold. It's clean on gold, but let me check. I wouldn't actually take it. Due to the fact that we kind of that sweep level is so close to where I'm gonna enter, so I wouldn't really take it. The gold long, I would not take it. So YM have a daily relevant lower swing, which is this. What? Which is this, but price doesn't seem like it wants to go there, so we'll have to wait for the CIC. Forget that CIC, then we'll have another story. For now, there's nothing really here. At least I want to see. So here's the plan. I want to see this low getting taken out. Especially now, this order block, there's nothing really here that would kind of cause price reverse. Even this gap, because we already traded into the gap, pushed higher. We traded below the low, fell to reverse. And now, what do we have? We have this two-stage here from a CISD. So this one stage, so probably that's gonna be a catalyst for price to kind of push lower, and then if it wants to reverse, it will do it from here. Look how far CL is, so probably gonna have this SMG, one SMG here, and 10 try to. And already that previous 4 hour candle is bullish, so yeah, this area is what I want to see before taking longs. And if we really check, looking at that 4 hour, we haven't really rebalanced the range. So if we're not gonna rebalance the range, we're gonna form something in premium, not an extreme premium, below the 75, between the 75 and 50, form something to reverse off of it with some sort of SMG. That's the exact. I think that's the exact trade I took yesterday. Where was the trade I took yesterday? Oh, not really. It was this. Not really. It was this swing to the highs. That is the bro. I don't remember like if OMC so. Do we have FOMC right? Wait. Yeah. After 3 hours, after 4 hours, so that was a bit expected. When was the last FOMC? Alright, YM seems like it wants to push lower. Let's see. Calling me tonight. You're still around. Oh man, there's nothing really here. Like, there's nothing really. The only thing is like probably this second stage, this 2 stage again. Like, it's just gonna keep following it, man. So the only thing we can do is just still anticipate that this is a failure to manipulate. We're gonna form a swing to kind of trade away from the high of 10 a.m. because this is the high of 10 a.m. But this 4 hour candle doesn't really support expansion anymore. Ideally, I want to be out somewhere in here. If I want to take shorts, probably I want to be out here. And let FOMC do its thing. When do you take the whole candle or just the wick? I find hard to identify my T-spot. Depending on how the candle forms. For example, in that case, since we have here like a big wick, I'm just gonna go from the body to the wick. Because this is where price is gonna open. Oh wait. Visibility plus on the minutes. In that case, it will be. I will be using the. What is it called? I'm gonna use that one. I'll be using the body. I will be using from the close to the low. In that case, or if it's like a bulky candle like this one, I'm gonna use the whole body. I'm gonna use the whole candle, and that would be my T-spot. But I don't use T-spot. It's just like an extra layer of confirmation. Yeah, bro, just look at that. Look at this. Look at silver. Like if you oh, this is GBP. Like if you just zoom out a little bit, look, it's not really the cleanest. Like this is silver. This is silver that I know. Not this. We've been stuck between that high and that low for how long now? 11 hours. So news are gonna do their thing. Or one of them is gonna be correct. That ST. It is. How much? I find hard to identify, bro. Why are you ignoring range and YM? Failure to manipulate. I only know about. Guys, how do you ban somebody? Atom, can you ban this guy? I don't know. Is it hide user on this channel or what? How do you ban guys somebody? Is it hide user on this channel? Or how? This is not the place where I talk about such things. Let me see. وين مطلعش. Sign in the right top corner. Click on the users, click. What was that? كاينش الصوت. Hey Tom, can you ban this guy? Can you ban this guy? I don't know, bro. Like I try to block. There is nothing in here. It's just remove. I don't want to report. Let me try. Unwanted commercial content. Yeah. Report. Comments daily if will be visible. This comment is no longer visible to anyone. Okay. We're here to trade, bro, not to trying to have fun, but Let's be respectful, man. You try to provide value, and then somebody's gonna come out of the way too. I don't know. Make it twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit in musical. Holy shit! Is that Garrett? Holy shit! What's that? Musical. Look who's here. The best is here. What's up, man? Everybody learns from you, man. So we're just here doing what you teach us, bro. Crazy stuff, innit? Yeah, it's him. Alright, man. The best is here. Oh, by the way, Garrett, if it's a problem to, like, if that's something I already discussed with the chat. So if it's a problem, man, to use the GxT or TTFM, let me know, bro, and I'm just gonna go ahead and stop using that, bro. It's good to see you here. I'm gonna take a screenshot. That's gonna be for the record. Oh, wait, guys, somebody's calling me. One sec. All the love, brother. No, I don't care. All right. Because yeah, I don't want to try to. I'm gonna head out. Good luck, y'all. Thanks, buddy. See you, man. Take care. It's good to see you here, man. It's good to see you, brother. All right. So we got permission from the guy himself, which is good. See ya, brother. Yeah, we gotta give the credits to him, man. Like this whole live stream is based off his concept, so yeah, we gotta give him. Look at that, bro. Let me be your roommate. I'll try to send him a message on IG. I don't know if he will respond or not, but I will try. If he's here, yeah, it's good to see you, brother. Now we should have told the guy to join this join Discord or talk to him here. Yeah. Let me see how many people we got. See, it was 75, 77. Okay, so the link is working. Perfect. Well cooked grilled cheese. What is this? Silver? I don't know, bro. I got excited when he was here. I actually got excited. I was like, but bro, the call was not on the right time, so I had to pause for a minute. That's good. It's allowed to use his name because it's Silver, man. It's setting up really nice. Let's really check on Silver here. But I really like the fact that probably this one is gonna close as PS. If this one closes as PSP, holy, and with like a second stage, that would be like the ideal scenario for me. If you really check on hourly, still an inside bar, 30 minutes, still an inside bar. So you want to trade a SMT fail, an SMT fail. That would be the ideal scenario. So probably like this gap form, the SMT fail, and then trade back to the highs. That would be the proper profile form. That would be the ideal. Okay, that's what we said. Okay, so we got the SMT. She's good. Now if price reverse, it will do it from here. Like that's the only area we'll do it from. YM. All right, YM pro. Yeah. Again, forget about YM. Forget about ES. So the only thing that we'll be looking at. Okay, Silver is closing a gap. This one's straight into the gap too. So give me guys 1 second. Let me call somebody back. Wait. All right, we back. Let me see. I was about to end the stream and ended up showing. Yeah, man. I should have taken an L live and he'll be like, oh, these are not the concepts I teach, bro. You're not using them correct. You're not using them correctly. Let me teach you how to use my concepts. Oh, he's a chill guy. When I used to be in, what is it called? In Lens? Yeah, he's just he's a good guy. But now, bro, I think if you join the Lens, holy, there'll be a lot of people asking questions, so I don't think he'll be able to answer them questions. Back then, when I used to join, when I was there, he had only they used like 70 or 80 members, and not that many comments are there. So, like by the time the stream ends, like most of the questions are answered. So it was now like, yeah, there will be a lot of questions, but which one they're gonna be picked, I'm not sure. So yeah, man. So I think that's what we're gonna do. But he's not here, so. Do you know? I just translated what he meant. Take a refresh ball. The mythical refresh ball is almost magical feeling when it really grabs your attention. So hard that you can't look away. Oh, it looks like your brain gets hypnotized. Okay, so I thought okay. Do you know? I always saw this refresh ball. I saw like some rock ball or something. I was like, that's what I told him. Is okay to use your name. It's like your brain gets hypnotized psychologically. And again, that benefits him too, I guess, right? I don't know. Anyways, I'm not doing anything. Let me see, bro. I think at that point I'm just chasing. I'm just chasing now. What is it called? YM. Well, let's see. It's still valid. It's still really valid. Okay. Let me check. Good. Huh? Okay. All right, good. Let me see. Is Shadowvade back? When Shadowvade is... Holy. Okay. Garrett was here? Yeah, bro, he was. He was here. Hey, moderator, you missed the best time, man. Just kidding. Holy, they closed my trade in profit. Let's go. My trade got closed in profit. My ES trade that they opened closed in profit. Yeah, Tradervid is back, boys. Tradervid is back. Should really check MES. Where is it? Where is the micro? Where? They closed my position here, which is good. That's good news. free money. Free 40 bucks. Again, that's not that much, but again, still. Closing profit, that's good. So that was good. I was out for a bit. I knew the moderator is out. That's why I came to join. Oh man, 40 bucks. That's good. Okay. Now let me wake up. Now the session just started. So now, what I'm gonna do, guys? Let me grab something to eat. Okay. Well, it's up 1500 on Eva account, and it got blown. Holy shit, man. You need to send them a message, man. I think they will take my profits off, I guess. I don't know. Why do you guys stuck with them, man? They probably sort out the issue for you. So what I would be looking for here is the following. This closing as a PSP. This one is a C2. I would still be anticipating that this is a failure to manipulate. Let me see the AQ to wick. Kind of trade it into the AQ to wick, which is good. So I want to see the reversal from here. So if we get this one with an M5 CISD, which I think we will get if we close the C2, I would be looking for shorts. That's the only setup that I would be looking at on YM. Here, yeah, just expanding lower. There's nothing really I can kind of position myself on AQ for what is it called? For oil, try it. Same. I'll wait for the 30-minute candles close to give me a swing formation. Now what do we have? If this one closes bullish, look at that, it's closing bearish, so we'll have that two-stage PSP. Either with this low, these two lows, or with that low. But I just keep it with that one because it's a lot cleaner. So that will be the two-stage PSP. Because I will be looking at it at price failed to rebalance the range, so it formed a new relevant swing, which is the C2, so this is a swing for me. And then reversed off of it, formed the two-stage PSP. And if you really check, oh, 10 a.m. has formed like a shallow, like a deep run, not a shallow run. So ideally, you just want to be out by here. And again, the hive day is really close, so it doesn't really matter. If we get a C2 closure here, I'll be looking to long, actually. And this one, RB. RB is really good. It's really interesting. But it's just the fact that... Wait. Do we have... Where is PSP? Do I have a PSP here? Okay, this is that two-stage. CISD. I don't like how these stack lows are looking, but this is looking kind of good. To go for the highs, you know, I'm just gonna trade the lagging asset, which is HO. I'm just gonna wait for HO since he kind of swept the level, so I'm just gonna wait for it. And also, we have close proximity to the draw, so let's see if we're gonna get this CISD or not. Let me wait for this one. If I take this one, if we trade this one, then I'm gonna take it directly. I don't think I'm gonna wait for candles to close. Okay, so getting that CISD, but now I cannot trade this C2 for two reasons. One, because we have the PSP, still did not close yet, and also this candle doesn't support expansion. That's why I want to trade the C2. Because I only trade the C2 when we have a two-stage cracking correlation. In that case, if this was like some sort of SMT fail, I would trade the C2. In that case, it's not. So I'm going with the basis that this is going to close as a two-stage cracking correlation to go back to the lows. So, and again, the lows, that same low that I'm targeting here is still intact here. So, yeah, we got two potential setups here. But we'll have to wait for 15 minutes. Let me see the 15 minutes. Let's close. Interesting. Really interesting. Let me check. When to feed my cats? Good, man. We got cats. Good. I'm holding gold longs. 50% upper range gap on NQ. Do you care where the two stages coming from? No. It does matter. But not a two stage. Nope, not that much. But ideal from a key level. Took a sell on ES. Interesting. Somewhere in here. It's actually dumping, which is good. But I just want to trade this one. You'll find the Discord link in the description. Check the description link and it'll be there. So we god. Not good. I'm gonna be focused on YM here. And each O. That's what I'm going to be focusing on. All right. Oh, my boy's smart. My boy's smart. Let's see his chart. Interesting. Got in here. After the closure below. Nice. With anticipation that you're gonna just seek for expansion lower. Nice. That's actually clean. That's actually clean. GG's, bro. Wait. Don't I go? I'm going with one contract here. Holy. Come on, bro. Holy. Holy shit. Fuck this shit. Holy. Fuck. What the hell, man? I was greedy for like fucking $20. No way, bro. $800. Fuck's sake. Fuck's sake. Holy, let me see CL. CL is just fucking around. Look at that. Wow, fuck you. Holy shit. That was perfect execution. What the fuck? Yeah, as I told you guys, like from the get-go, I wanted this to be to trigger the CI. Oh, dude. Imagine missing a trade because of extra 20 bucks of risk. Wow, beautiful. All right, let's wait for the new validation level within this C3. So this is a C2, so it's like got potential, but this is like the highest probability trade. I was too busy arranging songs. Oh, from the valley. Rick Ross. I wanted to make, like, I wanted also to make the, you know, when you open the balcony and you hear that Rick Ross song. That's what I was. But bro, I ended up missing what I was gonna help me buy the penthouse. And I was focusing on the music. Good. HO, come here. Like, do this. Let's see if we're gonna form a gap. But the gap is huge. No way, huh? To R? Okay. No worries. We still got a chance to get in. But the gap is just holy. And not until we know. Probably stops here. That's not 2R. 2R is like somewhere in here. Contract. Now I'm risking more and making less and not positioning myself in the best area. That's the problem. Now I have. Let's see. Let's see. This one goes to the TP. That's gonna be that's gonna be a beautiful day. God, bro. My God. Should have just hit buy, man. Should have just hit buy. Did anybody take that trade, by the way? Did anybody take that trade or not? You closed it? No, bro, I did not get in, man. I was putting my limit here and price was here and just expanded. I was not even in, man. No, bro, did not get in, bro. It just missed me, man. I just took off the limit. Did you? I missed the entry. Where price was at, bro? Let me check where price was at when I was trying to. Let me check what was going on, bro. Look at that. What it was. Oh, man. Ah, man. Nah, bro. Should have just hit buy, man. Should have, could have. RB looks really clean. Wait. Never say never. Never say something. I don't know what the quote is. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Create limit order 1 contract 21. Okay, we're going with the limit, boys. Oh man, I'm just gonna go with RB, man. Try to catch up for that trade. That's the only thing I can do right now. Even though it's not the high probably, but you know what? It's the only thing I can do. Got these gaps. Life. Let me see if I risk on the contract here. Wow, beautiful. Price wanted to come for the lower gap. Holy, what the hell? Let's see. Like, the only thing I can do right now is just like, I want to sell that expansion. Especially, I don't like these first ones, but with that expansion from the gap, I want this to be new on the additional level and just for price to continue higher. So let's see if it's gonna go to the highs or not. That would be a good trade if it works out. Like life, when you try to get in, like price retraces. When you try to wait for the retracement, price expands. But we got this two stage. We got this second stage here, so. Let me record again. Let me put the recording again so we can start recording the trade. Let's record a loss. Jerry, you looking for some or what? Shout out to shout out to Tom. Shout out to Jerry. Alright. Face card clean, that's a day until the dead. Life is yes. If a motherfucking wanna living in a bottle. What did I do? All right, come on. Hey, come on. We need to. If we see plus, if I see plus, it's gonna be a winner. I just need to see plus. Give me plus. Give me plus. Come on. -3, -3, -2. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Bro, what? I should be in profit right now. What the fuck? Oh, where's my entry? 62. Okay, no worries. 62 is here. And they'll never need another man. Grateful that that's never been. CISD, I'm gonna move my stop to here, by the way. If we get that CISD, I'm trailing my stop. And the good thing is, we kind of reversing out the gap. So let's see. Let's see. If we get the CISD, holy, that's gonna be a free trade for me. And I might add another contract here and put stops here. So I kind of would probably get filled somewhere near 2 contracts and I will keep the same risk. Let me see if my math is correct. So we'll have 1 contract here, clear more order. It will be with the 1 contract 168, and I would cut the risk from that one from 250 to something. So that will be like around $300 of risk. So I will have like $250 of risk somewhere in here. So if I enter with a 1 contract here, again we need to see the CISD 70 and 62. So where's the medium? It's 62, 78. So it will be 4, which is 66, somewhere near. So we'll have like my 66. Oh, bro, doesn't look like it's gonna do it, but 66. Stop here. We're gonna go for that same TP with 2 contracts now. If you go for 2 contracts, now I'm just risking almost 300 to get 934. So, yep, that's how I would go about it. So trail this one here, new invalidation level, enter with a new, and I'm keeping the same risk while I have my stop or protected level if we get the closure. If we don't, man, that's what I tell. Like, something I've noticed when I don't get the plus in my trades, I don't win it. The minute I see plus, if this one went to like +1 tick, could have been a winner. But now the probability just got lower. Dice pineapple. Come on, we got 5 likes to get to 60 likes. Come on, at least we're losing money and we having likes. Come on, For the people that haven't liked live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That would really help the channel grow, and maybe I can have some AdSense money to make up for this because I still my channel is not monetized. Yeah. Let's go. Come on, stop. Bro, answer my question wholly. Which candle do you trade the most? C3 or C2? Both. Bro, 3 ticks is the spread. Oh, it's like 4 ticks. 4. That's 4 ticks, right? The spread, 4 ticks. 4 ticks, holy. Jerry, do you need... Is Tom following you, bro? Because you're not listening carefully, bro. And bro's like using him in capital letter, bro. He's screaming behind the screen. It's like, answer my... Bruh, answer my question. Is it C2 or C3? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Now he's chill. Oh, okay. Okay, if we see the plus, it's a winner. We can guarantee it's a winner. Come on. Come on. -2, -1, come plus. Okay, it's a winner. Trust me, guys. Trust me. It's a winner. When I see the plus, when I see the money, when I see the green, just like Rick Ross, bro. What's... Oh, gross. Where's that clip? If it ain't about money, then oh, let's use this one. Price. I don't know. Wait, let me show you guys something. Try to stretch this a little bit like this. It will not show. That would be me. That would be me if you did this. Let me do this. Then go up. Okay.
Other than money. Lab, I'm handling some motherfucking business, homie. I hope you calling about money.
This is what I want with RB, bro. We're plus with money or not? Yeah, you were the one who suggested that. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Fuck. Yeah, if this one wins, that's gonna be good. No, let me check. I still got the audio on. Okay. Sorry guys for any ears that got broken. Is the moderator a problem? Is the one who's managing the stream, so okay, let's see. 3 ticks. Come on. So wait, the entry is here. Looks like I'm trying to go from, I don't know. Alright, 2 ticks. Come on, bro. You're fucking around, man. If it was for each O, man, I would be up. How much? I'll be up now for like 260. Now I'm down. Oh, let's take that off. Let's keep this one. Oh, we got 61 viewers. Okay. And we have 57 likes. Come on, can we take it to 60 likes, guys? 60 likes. We still got 3 people to like. Just like... Okay, no worries. 60 likes is the goal for now. CL, okay. What CL is doing? I'm wondering what CL is doing right now. Oh, it's breaking lows. Holy shit. Oh, that's good. That would be the trigger for CL to reverse. Come on. By the time CL is going to start retracing higher a little bit, I think RB is going to start pushing higher. So now we got the SMT. Okay. Come on. This SMT needs to hold. Come on. Holy, it's not holding. Okay. We're losing money here today. Trust me, guys. Okay. We're seeing -15, -14. Come on, CL. Let me take off the audio. Okay, let me listen to a song. Chill. Calling me the music because I don't want to get stressed. Wait, let's talk to GxT. I'll tell him I'm in a trade, and now I'm really afraid. Really afraid to lose this trade because I don't have rent money. Give me a song to help me relax, or nah, I'm not gonna say that. Okay, let's see what he's gonna do. I feel you, Sharp. This is very real, especially when you put. Okay, let's try this one. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if it works. Yeah, now I can hold the trade, guys. Now I can. That's good. Trader is back. Yeah, it is, bro. It is. And it seems like it's back with the bad thing, bro. minus 14 ticks. I'm just kidding. Oh, that's too loud. That's too loud. That's way too loud. Where is it? That's way too loud. All right, so we're forming the lower candle. I would still be anticipating that this lower get taken out, probably for this candle to expand because we haven't reversed off of the gap, so we can reverse off of whatever that level that was formed off of the gap. So listen to Bully Pasito. Bully Pasito. Bully Pasito. Let's see the moderator suggest again. What is this? This is for Jerry. Jerry needs this one. Jerry needs to listen to this one. Jerry, this is for him, my brother. Let me tag you. Can I? Oh, it's unfortunate I can't, bro. This one is the best. Hey, بقيت مراكشية ملم. Hey. Alright, guys, for the people that believe that I need the song too. Just for fun, but just for fun. And this one is good. Like this one I really like it. They post some really. Oh, these are vowels. That's a good name to come up with. This one and that one, they're really good. And there's another playlist. Where is it? I think it will be. Yeah, this one. This Foundry Fam. Holy, their music is so good. Like the best ones. What else? Check Harlow. Indra. Hell no, bro. This is your song, man. Okay, CL is good. Hopefully we can confirm that CISD. Hopefully we can confirm that CISD. That would be good. Bro, we were at 57 likes and somebody's just unliked. I don't know why. Bro, why did you unlike? My life depended on it. Now it's back. Okay. I know, you made it by mistake. No worries. No worries. Lemar, I knew you were Moroccan. Come on, bro. It's always the best country in the world, man. You know. But I don't know why I'm having a lot of Moroccans here, man. I don't know. Is it because the channel is from... I don't know. Because I used to post Arabic content, so... I used to... Anyways. Usama. Alright, I'm back, boys. I'm back. لما when you're Moroccan تبقى لي قصة طلعت لي أنا for you page. Okay, my brother. I do the same model, that's why. مرحبا بيك يا brother, مرحبا بيك. Welcome, welcome. Another country mate is here. Shout out to my brother Usama. Yep, so we're just gonna wait for this one to play out. Hopefully it will play out. So HO. Let's see what's going on with HO. Alright, so it seems like we're getting that CISD, so no, it seems like it's not. It seems like we're not. Good trade, bro. Thank you, man. But this one could have been a lot better. This one could have been a lot better. I'll be about to get 2R now. Yeah, man. It's about to be 2R. Here I was going for like 3.2, 3.3R, almost 3.1, 3.25. Wait. Okay. How much am I risking now? Some 235. That's good. Come on, if I get that CISD, I'm gonna go ahead and do what I told you guys. Trail this one here. Add another entry here. Probably get an average fill somewhere in here, and stop would be here. So I'll probably add like $50 of risk to gain I don't know how much. Now it's still just kind of same trade. So same trade with same risk, trying to make more from a new protected swing, in my opinion. If we don't get the CISD, the idea is invalid. I don't like when we fail to CISD, bro. If this one closes the failure to CISD, I'm gonna close the trade. Yeah, close the shit. Alright. I don't like how this one's closing, bro. I fucked around for too much. Give me the new low. Give me this. I'm gonna take it, bro. I think we're gonna take out this low. Also, HO is not failing. It's failing to CISD. It's the stronger asset, so. No, it's the weaker asset, but we have these minor turn switch there, so. Yup. I think I lost how much? 62. It was somewhere in here, and I got out at 56. 56. Okay. How much I lost? One contract? $25. Okay. Thank you, yes. Thank you, yes. So now I'm still up $20 for a day. Yeah, I need to see this low gets taken out now on this CISD. That would be the only thing that would give me the confidence to kind of get in. Yeah, because they're just been stacking lows and not closing above. So again, I managed it really aggressively. So I either too aggressive with like add-in positions or too aggressive with managing the trade. The first red flag that comes in, boom, I'm out. I don't want to be something that is red flag. And this one like also played a role like it also. Hey, do you take only one trade a day, or do you trade all if you get them all? Mostly if I get a winner, I can just call it a day. It seems like now we're not really gonna get anything, so I'm just gonna go ahead. Oh, gold. Oh, gold. That's beautiful. Yeah, I think we're not gonna get anything here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put another here. Another one here. Forget that CISD within like the next 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and wait. If not, I'll look at that, bro. I knew. Like when you get a failure to CISD, not only that, we have like a 2-stage here at the highs at PSB. Just gotta. Clarity in live is more important, or no? It's more important. I'm not really sure what you mean there, bro. I'm not really sure. Vina, you mean? Yeah, I don't really know what you mean, bro. Yeah. Yup, I knew it's gonna reverse, so it was a perfect exit. Bro, I traded this model until my eyes burnt out, so I know when to go again. That first CISD saves me sometimes. Sometimes it fucks me up, but yeah. Now, if we get this, that would be perfect. So now, we did not reverse off of the gap. We fell to CISD. Especially that we kind of sweep the gap, and this is one of my favorite models to sweep the gap. We failed to CISD. Now, if we CISD right now, like literally right now, within the next, I don't know, 2 candles or 3, I'm taking this one. If we don't, it is what it is. I'm not going to be trading. I'm just going to call it a day. This one for, like, you see it as C2, I don't really care. This might be a C2, like for some people, and this is the CISD, but if we break above, I will take it. What about YM? YM, bro, just fucking around. I wanted to take shorts. We failed to CSD. Like, this is the thing. Look. When we fail to CSD, we go to the other side of the range. Easy peasy. Fail to CSD, we go into the other side of the range. So, yeah, right now, if we CSD now, if we form that CSD now, I would really take it. Let me look on NFG. Alright. There's an SM. Yeah, we'll have some sort of SMT fail. That's good. If we have this SMT fail here, that would be really good. If we have this SMT fail, oh, not necessary. But still, I would still want it. Okay, it's not a must. Okay, if RB gives that CISD, I'm gonna take it. By the way, it will be really clean. It will be really good. So I'll be open to taking that one. Let me see. Alright, seems like we're gonna get that one. Alright, seems like we're gonna get that set up. Perfect. Let me see the M5. What the M5 is looking like. Oh, I wanna go with the M5. M5 looks really clean. That looks like a expansion into expansion. Expansion met with expansion. 2R is given. And 15. 3 minutes. Hourly. Okay, good. Probably I'm just gonna go ahead and TP. Alright, let's see. TP here. Let's TP somewhere in here. Alright, or even just somewhere in here. You guys already know the reason, so I don't have to re-explain myself. Come on, 3 likes for 60 likes? We need 3 more people, come on. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up. And like an extra confluence again, even though I don't use the inversions, but okay. If this one stayed like this big gap and I went the inversion, that would be like an extra confluence, which we think we're having now in RB. So that would be really good. Expansion, method expansion. So are you not bothered about FMC later in the day? No, bro. It's still like 2 hours, 3 hours, almost 3 hours. So with my proper 10 a.m. candle profiling, yeah, try to get my trade before 3. I think that's it. Before like 2 for you guys, 3 for me. Again, depending on where you're from. But, like for my time, like this like the time for me, bro. So it will be 4 a.m. It will be 4. It will be 3 for me. So all right, last try for the day. Not last try. This is the first trade of the day. So it was a break even. Let's see the second one. We still got 1 like for 60 likes. Come on. Somebody can do it. Come on. Let's see. 60 is coming in a. Okay, look at that, bro. What we got? Balanced range. 59 viewers, 59 likes. It's like, bro, we're ranging. We need more likes to break out. Okay, beautiful. We got 60 likes. Beautiful. When do you get up if you sleep now? The question is, I don't sleep now. If I'm says Kirsten is older. When do you get up if you sleep now? If I sleep now, probably 8. Asia, yep, I'm in Asia. I'm in Asia, brother. Oh, we got 66. Nice. Oh. Now we'll get a little bit greedy. Now we're going for 70. We got 60, 66. We still got 4. Yeah. So let's see. Okay, so if we get that M5, that's gonna be really clean. Not only that, I think we have like a 2-state. I think we have like an SMT. Let me check. And also the hourly is closing a C. C2. Hourly is closing a C. And it doesn't matter. We have the SMT here. Like to make it a lot cleaner. Oh, we do. No, we don't. Okay. I was gonna have like the SMT fail. We did not get it. Okay. The ones that are passive MC can be seen in my profile bias. I know. tough to take. It's a hard pill to swallow. 58. Okay, I think we're going for 70. I think we're going for a new record here. Holy, I think we're going for a new record, bro. I think we're going for 70 likes today. I think the maximum we got was like 65 likes. Let me check. Wait. Let me check the record breaking. What was the maximum record? Let me go ahead and do starting soon. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this one. Stay for me 1 sec, guys, because I took a screenshot. There are some other sensitive screenshots. Some personal screenshots, not sensitive. Let me check. What was the max? What's that maximum? Like, so, okay, so we got 52, 56. 44, and then yeah, so 50. Oh, so we're already broke. Oh wait. Did we break the record already? Let me check. All right. I think we did. I think we're breaking the new record here. Really good, guys. Really good. I think Garrett joined the stream today, and we got more likes. That's really good. By the way, for the people that Garrett was here, so 64. Okay, the peak is 64 likes. Oh, 68. No, 68. It was 68. So we're still at 68. Look at that. Let me show you guys. This was a. Let me show you guys. This is the peak. This is 68 likes. So now we're at 68. Maybe we can take it to 70 or 72 or like 73. Come on. Or what date was it? What was the date? Let me check. I don't remember what date was this one. I don't remember the date of this one. Screenshot one. Okay. 70 likes, new record. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. GG's. Nice. Wait. Let me do something here. Let me see. So it's the number screenshot 1103. Let me see what date was it. 1103. 1103. I remember. Screenshot 1103. So let me see when that. How long did it take us to break a new record? 1103. 1103. It's here. It took me how long? Oh, 14th January. Holy, that was like 15 days ago. Wait, let me just take a screenshot because it's just you know what? It doesn't matter. Yeah, look at that. It was January 14th and accessed now. So, wow. It took us like 15 days, bro. 15 days to get the same. Oh, 74. Oh, we're going for a new record here. Okay. That's beautiful. That is really good. So, yeah, that's like 15 days. Wow. And now 74. Now we're just putting the bar a little bit higher. Now it's going to take us, I don't know how long. I like the idea. So, because of that, and because Michael also reminded me of this. Wait. Was it the fa? Could you guys hear the fa? Let me check. Yes. Okay. 75. That's perfect. Really good. Shout out to the G's, bro. Thank you guys. Thank you for the love and support. Thank you. Shout out to Michael for the idea. Shout out to Michael. That was good. That's a good day. That's actually a good day. Nice. Thank you guys. 75. You guys made my day, by the way. You guys made my day. Thank you. And for that, when I'm traveling, guys, I'm gonna live stream. I swear to God, I'm gonna live stream, bro. I got my plane on this next Saturday, 7th. So gonna live stream the whole week, and then Saturday I got my plane. Okay, so we're live streaming this week because of this new breaking record. Then I'm gonna post a video on Saturday. I'll do my best. I'll keep my promise. We'll live stream when I'm on vacation, even though it might not be that long. Like now, it's been like a 3 hours live stream. Probably do an hour. And yeah, I'm gonna post a video on the weekend, and also I'll post like 2 or 3 trades. The Monday trade, Tuesday trade. I'll post them too for you guys to check it out. So, yep. Thank you. Let me see. Bro's eating eccentric espresso. Let's get bring up on our window. Best time to play. فرح لك بروحي. It's my first time نشوف true Moroccan trade. طلعوا لي scammers. طلعوا لي فكرني. Thank you my brother Osama. Thank you. أخوي راه ايش دير. Yes, I didn't play that file when it existed trade. Oh shit, that's true. I did not play the file. Maybe I'll play the file now when I get the SL. Seems like an SL coming. I don't know, bro. I got too excited. Now I just feel like go Tony. Join the Discord. This tag team. Nice, bro. Nice. 75 likes. Thank you guys for the love. Wow. And also today was like the first time especially like Gary joined the stream. I don't know what he typed. I forgot what he typed, but it was good for him to join for like a minute. So yeah, that was good. Yeah, I'll send them a private message like, you came in, we got more likes, we broke new record. Yeah, hopefully it'll be a winner. Let's see. So again, same idea. 37.5 in my name. 37. Oh, that's true. Okay, the moderator. Shout out to the moderator. We got the likes. Look at that. So we got 75 likes, and look at the moderator. 75. He knew, bro. He knew it's gonna happen at some point. What indicator you use for T-spot and T? It's called GxT profiling. GxT profiling. That's what it's called. It's a free one. Yeah, I think, with that fair to CISD, I think I'm gonna clock out here, guys. It's been like 3 hours around live streaming, and I'm not gonna take any trades, by the way. Like my mental capacity is reached the limit. I think, and you guys usually know that by 11, I take a break. I go take my coffee and stuff, but now I did not do it, so it's been here for the whole time, just eating snacks and stuff. So W moderator for real. Yeah, that's like Rob San anytime. That's why, guys, I don't know, just give it to the best. And also we have IX3, I forgot his name. So yeah, thank you really guys for tuning in. That's a beautiful day. You guys write a message and I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot. Type something, just write something. I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot this and I'm gonna keep it as a souvenir. Yeah, so something you guys want to see maybe later on when I get famous, then I'll give a shout out to the old G's. So we got a new world bracket record for new PR. So if you guys want to say something, type in the channel, we'll take a screenshot and I will keep that one. So yep, that was really fun. Shout out to the people. Oh man. All right, let's wait for like a minute and a half until I close the stream. Yeah, so for RB, let me just go ahead and explain like the RB trade. If you really check, we got a C3. I was looking for that fair to manipulate. If price wants to reverse it, we'll do it from here. 30-minute from that 2-stage PSP, so it was just trading away. Ideally I wanted to take that one, but I was just looking the weaker asset, the lagging asset for the CIC. This is not the lagging asset, even though it's stronger, but for me it's a lagging asset due to the fact that how it show expanded. And yeah, fair to CISD, manage your trade properly. And yeah, that's really it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this one here. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Oh, let me stop the recording. It's been recording for too long. All right, I'm gonna keep this one here full. That shows that it's a break even. I'm gonna put, I don't know, just keep it like this. All right, see you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys. See you guys tomorrow, same time. And hopefully, let me take a screenshot right now. Hopefully we can break another record tomorrow. I'm not sure if we're gonna do it, but January has been one of the best. Oh, wait. Let me do something. Let me see how many subs we got now. Let me see. I think we got some new subs here. I did not check. Holy, look at that, bro. Look at that. We still need one subscriber. We're gonna do the best 5. Come on. two record break-ins. Come on. We need that subscribe. Come on. If you guys haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. We need that 1400. Look at that. Look at that. We got a new record. So I'm just gonna put this one here. Let's see. I'm sure we're gonna get it. You know what? How do you do like the live subs? I forgot how to do it, man. Come on, where's the live subs? Advanced. Come on, bro. Where's the live sub? I think I got to 1400 already. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. No, that's a really beautiful day. That's a really good day, guys. That's a really good day. Thank you, guys. Shout out to whoever subscribed now. Oh, look at that, bro. Look at that. People forgot to subscribe. Look at that. Just for him. Look at that. We got, look, for the past 28 days, we got 570 subs. Come on, guys. Let's sub to get one more. Come on. One more. Let's see. We're going there. Okay, we got 76 likes. Okay. Look, for the 43 people that are still here, if you haven't liked or subscribed already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That would be good. And you guys, tomorrow we'll tune in again and we'll have the same fun. We'll probably take some good trades, just like we did on yesterday. Beautiful CL long. Look at that. All the love. All the love to you guys. All the love. That's a blessing. Thank you, guys. Love you guys. Meow. All right. That's really good to see y'all. I'm really happy for how did it go today. This, like, let me just show you. 2 minutes push. Switch. 2 minutes. I'll just keep it like switch in a minute. All right. Let me screenshot. Set at least 1.4K by the end of the month. Said at least, buddy. That's true. I think I do remember you said 1.4K. I was aiming for 1.5K by the end of the month. How many days we got left? How many days we got left? What's it got? Thursday and Friday live stream, and then when I will post a video, literally like in around 2 hours. I'll try to record them and post it today. I'll try to post them both. I'll try to record them both to get them out of the way and prepare. Probably post the video on Saturday. I'm thinking by Sunday we might have it. I think we might. It's really hard, but yeah, we might get it. How many subs I still need? Like 95. That would be really good. That would be really good. So I think we can manage like 30 tomorrow. Oh, Thursday 30 new subs. 30. Yeah, I think we can. I think we can, bro. How many we got today? Let me check, bro. Let me check how many subs I got today. Let's just keep it custom, and we'll do from January 27 to January. Okay, we got 27 today, so it's almost the same. All right, so I think we still got it. So one more for this. And thank you, guys. Yeah, that's really good to see, even though like it was a break-even trade, but it was the W day. Thank you, guys. Love you so much. For the people that just joined the live stream, welcome, and I hope you guys will love you more. See you guys. Take care, and let me do something for you guys. Some gay shit. Love you guys. Oh, bro, not gay shit, but let me see. Let me do this. Maybe I fucked that up, but yeah, no worries. This for you guys, okay? See you guys. Take care. Love you so much. What about backtest? Thursday or Friday, we're gonna talk about it. All right? We're gonna probably try to figure it out. See you guys. Thank you, and take care. GG's.